Yeah, Kyle, B. I do a beach park away upon you. Which part of there? But how you mean I can't come? I don't understand. You have something important to do? I don't understand what you talk about, you know. No, but me over here almost 2 hours now. And you can't come all now. You thought you have something important to do. And what's so important? Kyla, you me talk to. And what's so important? You can't tell me. How you mean? Just make me waste my time come over here and wait for you. Kyle. Kyle. Shit, phone dead. Go try get a call from somebody. Can't bother no more. Good evening, sir. You can get a call off your phone, please?
Yeah, man. You can get a call, man. But how much though? Hold on. Use this phone.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. You're good, man.
Yeah, Shati. Yeah, I'm here. Me there say, if we could alright, me there a beach park, and me there say, if we could come over your yard for kill time, because me there over here wait for Kyle how long and he can show up on something. So me there say, if we could come over your place, come build back for a little while until I'm ready, because me not really an order today and something. Alright, 15 minutes. Alright, that good still. Alright, later. Because somebody phoned me, but I don't have any credit. Alright. Thank you, sir.
Alright.
15 minutes.
To you, miss. You sure is everything alright?
Well, me out here wait for somebody how long and the person don't show up and me call my best friend and tell her the situation and something and she say 15 minutes. Can't bother. Just
You always come out here, though?
yeah, me always come out here. Like, I don't live really far from here, so I'm more, like chill.
You know, say me always see out here. Me know you, you know. Anyways, my name Malitos.
Well, nice to meet you, Malitos. I'm Mia. So tell me something. Why are you out here sitting by yourself?
I really want confusing place, you know. Overwhelming, you know. More I come out here, so just go and take in the breeze. You know, and listen you see. Because I like that, you know. You know, what I made the same way.
So, you're living in the area?
Yeah, man. We live right down in Ampere, right down, about 5 minutes from here, so. Right up at one cash pot shop there. Down in Ampere down there, so.
Oh, I know an umbrella.
Hold on, excuse me. Hello? Mia? Oh, your call, here.
Yeah, Shati. Alright, may I come. Alright, may I come right now? Alright, may I come. Alright, me have to go now because my friend out there, so later here. Hope me see you back again.
Alright,
Bye.
take care of yourself, yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright, take care of yourself, yeah?
Alright, no.
Wagwan people, welcome to another video. Pick up on yourself. Wanna know the usual? Don't know star.
Yeah, I know, sir.
Kaka crow. Yeah man, big up yourself, big up yourself. Yeah man, big up.
Yeah.
Some Richard Brown, two Richard Brown actors them so. I want to the cock here. And I go look at Hen Bridge and on top of nights. Anyways, bag of distractions. So in another video we run through Jamwood City Richard Brown films, see what I go on. So just get some BTS, you know, see the whole how them shoot them video thing and da. So yeah. I know someone wants to see some more movies. Things take time. I always have to remind these things take time. So enough of chatting. We'll go over Richard Brown films, Jamwood City, go see what I go on over there. And kindly to remember guys, just need enough to remember this. St. Lawrence just a pass through and a show no what I go on at the studios. You see me? Probably a little more down the line to go somewhere. I don't know. But Richard Brown films, Jamwood City. Check out what I go on.
Me and you is not size. Me could have been your mother. Look, by the way, look here. I told me and your mother make a feel so you can talk to me anyhow. Hmm?
No man, Candy have a bag of things to say, make she say what she has said.
I can't stop me.
Hold on, no, you know what I do, man.
Okay, start over.
So, where's it?
You didn't say last part that if I chew, she and her mother.
Start from there, so.
Right.
Alright. I told me and your mother make a feel so you can come talk to me like that. Me could have been your mother. I am your stepmother and you need to talk to me with respect. You hear me? Make it be the first and the last you say candy. Is either you say auntie candy or miss candy, whatever. X out the candy, me no size. You understand? Okay. I know manners.
Cut. You what you do now? Candy.
Hey, them they talking them me feel
Hold on,
like good about nothing.
You see, come here and say, oh, that part there, come in and look how she hook me up.
No, do it all the time. Go back for her.
No, I
A facial expression and Candy attack for her. When media think she has
Yes, Miss Candy.
I feel it up.
Wait, no, let me hear what she said.
I feel okay. You know what media think? You know what media think a while ago? So, I don't know what kind of stepmother you be. But if I am bad step, kind of one good stepmother, but kind of bad stepmother, me would answer. Yeah, but answer to her and say, alright, start over now. Go and come back again. So we are sending you back there. So, yeah, so we are sending you back there so and we can come back again.
Alright, we are here. Alright, so.
No, she already move it, man. Sketch the last part. But don't shoot it from the angle, Alton. Shoot it from the next angle.
Should you say?
No, but don't shoot it from the angle.
Which
Shoot
one
it from the angle.
Richie?
Hmm?
Start back from.
No, but not you.
Oh,
Alton, look at she her response. But even though I answer now on low voice, the camera won't pick you up, so say it kind of loud.
Alright.
No man, are you say? Yeah, just kick her off, Candy.
Okay.
Ready?
As from now on, make it be the first and the last. You say candy. Is either Miss Candy or Auntie Candy. Me is not size. You hear what me say?
Alright.
Then after she said that, you can say, alright, come try again.
Alright, come try again.
Alright. So I'm gonna make sure you get up now.
No, I don't think she have to get up. She can just start the conversation where she wants this. But crap. The way she say how you go in a stage, don't go tell her. You know what I want to tell her? That I think. You know what? Alright. But still can't tell her. You're prime, so you still can't say it.
The prime? Yeah.
You're prime, so you still can't say it.
Anyways, I'm really come to
Yes, so Miss Candy, like how me 16 now. You know some of the things say, I could have one boyfriend.
Are you somebody where you like?
But you jump.
What? She see somebody where she like.
No, I said that.
She want to have one boyfriend.
I want to take my
Nobody a jump.
No, she not say that.
Come on.
Alright,
Now
so-
what do you think this is?
Ready now, go back for it. I wish I could last time, catch.
Yes, Miss Candy.
Can't catch it to
Right. So now you also to him say, Candy, you can start by saying no, sir.
As in
Wait,
yes and no.
you know, wait, you said to me. Wait, you said to me now.
Ready?
Where's the Alton? What's your name?
Tasha.
Tasha. Alright. I didn't know your name, bro.
Hey.
Come.
This.
Alright, tell me something.
Ready?
Yes, Miss Candy.
By the way, Tasha,
Yeah.
where did you come to me to talk to me about?
Oh.
Cut.
Me not like that part you always say.
Yeah, your son.
Go do it over,
Like
boss.
Son,
No, like me name. No, me say like me name no me as you know. I don't want to see who's me as it. Me just all said, by the way, Tasha, where did you come to talk to me about? But me just,
You know, if you call
and then me say about, like me know everything.
You know, if you call her. By the way, where they are?
Alright, come now. Let's start.
No, man.
Put on the candy.
Then.
Look, how much your man
Start. By the way, where did you come to talk to me about?
Oh, me did that ask.
Cut.
Yo, you know, say I'm low that one, you know. So chat low.
What?
You need to
Remember
speak
you just showed off for me.
Speak loud, say I
No, she can talk loud but not shouting.
Not shout.
Ready, Alton?
Yeah, ready. By the way,
By the way, where did you come to talk to me about?
Oh. When did I ask you if when you first have sex?
Don't be a shit. Don't be a shit. No, that's if you ask her.
No,
That's if you ask her. No, when you ask
You
her.
can't just ask her so. You told you.
No.
So when you also sex?
No.
If you answer more code,
No, man, when you ask her, say.
So what
So
sex
Miss
is sex
Candy.
hour? Sex is the right word.
Well, whatever, but
No,
you
I
have come
got
to Candy and say,
What they want?
so Miss Candy.
Like how me are 16
like how me are
now.
16 now.
Don't you have a boyfriend?
Me can have one boyfriend. Right.
Ready?
Come again, front.
But that's not a soft one, but that's still prime.
Yeah. But you have like dry marks, me that kind of reach. And
Ready.
Like you can't set him up, you know.
Who was no?
No, like mother, so you want to have sex now. Yeah.
Yeah, you can do this after.
Hello. Ready?
When you go say yes now, put smile on the face, you get serious planning. No.
So start by finding out how many for ask me.
Ready.
Oh yeah, me did for ask you. So now me are 16. Don't me can't have a boyfriend?
boyfriend. How old are you? At 16 you say or 20? Eh?
No, you can't do it. What the boy go?
So you
That's
just
want
direct
have sex?
So you want to have sex
So
now?
have sex
I'm
now.
going
Yes,
to
boy, yes.
I'm going to make him at 20 now.
No, man. No, we take it from the sense that now I'm 16. Don't go back at age again. Age done.
No, Candy can't say it because we can't cut you one.
What?
No, man. No,
Me no want to tell me no.
Go on,
No,
no,
that's
straight
your
to it. Straight to sex. You want to have sex now?
So that we say we do.
Alright, yeah.
That we say.
So, and you know, the first
Sure, okay,
time
okay,
when we
okay,
did say
okay.
could have actually
Why you say
attached to
what?
that.
Why you say
No,
what?
the last part about Candy said, you how much you're 20 now, but that's that.
Just go straight to sex.
Just say.
But
I
when
feel
we
like,
did say
Why you feel like
when
you
you
want to start have sex now?
when you start, when you first have sex, she could have literally
No,
said,
no on that. No on that.
How much there is that?
ready,
Let's go.
Quanta?
ready,
Me and a friend together now.
oh, ready.
So you want to have sex now?
No, you want to start.
You want to start to have sex now?
Yeah.
No, have sex. Put in the start.
Say you want to start have sex, then you can sit and wait a later. Then we say you want to have sex now, like you told me.
Wow.
And then they say,
No.
Ready, let's go.
But I've never,
No, me
You
know
want to take away the mother for your
You know
father?
what I mean?
wow.
Come.
What is it?
Ready, Alton?
Ready.
So you want to start have sex now? You're not saying anything?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, that was all. Make it big.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Ready. Action McKen. Come ready.
Ready? So you want to start have sex now? You're not saying nothing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Can you read it
Time come like.
Alright, watch out, stop moving.
Can not say nothing.
Stop moving now.
Let's go now.
Continue say and then yeah.
Can I say nothing?
Yeah.
Yes. You ready to have sex? And that you said to me? Little girl.
Good.
Can you know what I mean now? Me not little. You don't really forget it here, man.
Right.
That be there.
Little girl.
Lean back and then go back.
Yes, sit down.
Oh, sit up. Little girl. So you want to start have sex now?
No.
You're sexually active?
No.
So when you say you want to have sex, I don't understand because you're just 16.
I asked me, I asked you.
You ask me what it sound like you'll do it already. Are you a virgin?
This is a virgin.
See then now? You don't know what they call virgin and you want to go out there in that world before time. Sex is not for your age. Older than you. Even though sex is for everybody, but not your time yet. You will get pregnant and man will disown your kidney. You can have unprotected sex and catch disease. You understand? Not because I say unprotected sex, you will have disease and get pregnant. That don't mean you have to go use protection and go have sex. You're not ready yet. You understand me? Let me tell you something. You see, if you have some friend at school where they talk about they have them man or them boyfriend and you feel like say you want to have man too, don't bother with it in here. If you feel say, "Show me, I know your mother," you can get up and go outside and do what you want to do and come back in like some innocent child. And not say go.
Stop. I don't stop.
If I hear about probation officer, huh? Don't make me carry you to them. Hey, you wouldn't like to know where you would reach. You see people them will go to them places, them children where your ears say go to them places, then come back worse than how they go in there. So you need to know yourself, stop thinking about man and think about your book. Education is the key. And that come first. Unless you want to unwalk it.
Alright, remember,
Let's say,
we are.
counseling.
You back right there?
Hello!
Yeah, some females that are terrified for their father. So my time, most of the time we can use for a trick. So yo, okay, what me tell the father we are connected to
Hi.
you know what I mean? Can I use it that way?
You never want it go so deep in counseling then.
You know
I think can the power roll aside, we never tap him in.
I'm making talk because if we use it, but just give me the next option too.
You right, because you have to teach it
Any plan
raw teaching.
you want to tell your father we are going with. Like we put in the sexual argument. You know if your father's there already. Did you start the conversation saying, you know, mention about your father though?
Not yet.
Your father say, you know, if I your father know I have no boyfriend.
We can go down there last week, but get like one 6 or 7 minutes as she and look on Candy because that long conversation needs some interject with fear face. So you give me some facial expression and look on Candy.
So can you remember everything I
You
said?
can
No, you can't just chat anything you want to, but want the facial expression.
Then after that part already, so if you say
And we can talk to her intense, you know. She has sweat, you know. Can you
Me
sweat
I
him
suck
out?
up everything.
Alright, so give me back that facial expression then when Candy talk to you so we can see your face. But sometimes you have all the hand in your mouth, you know. They go to
like,
yeah.
think over me and say, ah.
Ready. I just want to talk some things, Candy. Ready?
Listen to me now. You're not an adult, you're a child. And not time for you to have sex yet. Sex is for everybody, but it's not your time. You understand? Me say if you understand. Don't shake your head at me. Okay. And let me tell you something. You see, if your friend them were outside or with you and them a go to school, you hear them a chat, me a man or me a boyfriend, nobody with it.
Good.
It's not
That's
your
good
time.
enough. Alright, so let's go to the last part of the play that I tell about Candy. I was saying now. Can join back to the last part, the way I say. You find out if he introduce you saying. So dash all that out of your brain. Or maybe you have to twice to listen. You see, if you ever come to me no argument like this, go good.
Again.
No, you find one way to say it now, way where you say, you are telling father. So, you come to me with an argument, come like that, tell you want to tell your father.
I asked him, so you
want to wait for people to make you sound like a giant to the last part.
yeah, but giant to it, so.
Just need to
When I said, we'll talk about go back to the counseling, and then you take it from dust and say, did you talk to your father about this?
Okay.
And when the father come later, whether we sure sit down and discuss this now. Because it's not normal. And both said, no. Yeah. Yes, I said, no, so you can't go to the house. It's alright. You do go pan the road, you don't left man, you think so you didn't know, but keep it yourself.
So I just go straight into it and say,
yeah, since that sound like Jan just said to him, say, I said, you did tell your father about bodies?
I think that we sure we should sit down and talk about this.
right, but this son.
Too much. Yeah,
Too much fishy, I don't know. I already know all that, but this time I don't shoot see me cross shoulder, but I'm going to tie that shot I candy face.
Right.
Yes, man.
Yes.
I don't have any TV, so that TV is a book, yes, man, TV. Yup,
Yeah, man.
I'm just like, I can hear around down there. Alright. Go ahead. I'm close to
You talk about me and him and his father, man.
No, let's go straight into it, man. Yeah, I said, ask her, I said, if you tell your father about this.
You did mention this to your father? No. Well, this too rough for me alone deal with. Me need to talk to your father, so the three of we are going to talk.
No, Miss Candy, please, don't tell me.
Cut.
You can say, no, Miss Candy, never don't have sex. Put it up, never don't have sex. Return. Can't cut it, I can't close it. Anyway, they say, anyway, never go on the road and something to deal with. Can you touch what can you?
Ready? You did mention this to your father?
No.
No. Well, this too rough for me alone deal with. It makes sense me talk to your father.
No.
Wait, me make my mistake. I sure we ever talk to your father. And he not go agree. Sorry, man, because I try to find out something so different. Lima. Stop. You did mention this to your father?
No.
No. This too rough for me alone deal with. Me and your father, I go talk about this.
No, Miss Candy. Miss Candy, you never know what
You never don't want sex?
More that kitchen, boy.
You sure?
Yeah.
More that
Oh, sure you
More that kitchen.
Sure. You don't
More
mind
that kitchen,
what.
how deep,
Come out of the kitchen.
More that kitchen.
Yo. Come out of the kitchen.
I know.
For sure. Start frying for sure.
You're going to beat you.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You don't want to have sex? Oh, sure you be?
Sure.
You say the next time you come to me with them the kind of argument there, make sure so you have it in your head, say me and you and your father go talk about this. Because you don't reach your age yet, I know you're thinking about sex already. Anyway, I go on the road and make sure so you stay in the yard and stop call them friend because I don't know what they might tell you saying, what you tell them saying, no, to Jim and I'm going to make your father take away phone from you. To go to that. Right.
Fix 35 lens, people. I want to recommend that for the facial thing, but it's whatever. Like for the tight close-up shots. John, done? No, pause that. No music, pal.
No, understand, so when shooting is going on, no noise not supposed to be.
I feel so then done.
But I'm not sure.
Shut the hell up. They need this to post it.
Hello. Officers staying next.
Happy to When you're shooting now, I'm going to can play everything on one play. That's like
But shooting done.
Copyright. You don't see my baby. Right?
You know some
Just come around and happy right there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You want a turbo? Yeah. I say you first. I can't say anything now, but one thing I told. Yeah, I just say I'm not ready for sex. Don't send it up around here. Then that's why you have to watch that make you want to about sex. But just not watch it. So you're not watching enough time, so why you come and ask about sex? Send you.
I think just send the email. I'll get
That's
back
how
to
I'm
some.
going to set it up. You see you?
Send to you.
So you're going down now, Papa?
Huh?
Nah, take no part, nah, move it to them.
No, I mean,
How do you want to name?
what's going on in my house?
Okay. If I could have killed, know who did long time. Mr. Lawrence. Well, people, long time we not do now behind the scenes. We catch what go on now. Be a woman out of people. Jaja.
You say what you say? Not because Ray.
Oh, a mechanic that is gonna skip on him.
Action.
Not because your child pregnant, you try to sink everybody else's children under the ground. Exactly. Don't do that, man, or you go fire on your love.
I am my mother. Yeah, pick me higher now. Yeah, pick me.
You know, nothing but
Okay. Alright, so come now.
No, you're not if you're pregnant and you're about to school, you need long now.
So let me say that because you're
Alright, tell me already.
You don't think.
You're pregnant, I'm pregnant. No.
Action. So skip it, you cannot. You know your wife.
Oh, go on TV. Oh, you come to them.
Action.
I am my mother. You are mother. And the two of we have pitney, right? Why would I want to do that to your child?
You're pitney breed out of school.
So that not say what
You're wicked. You're retired.
you wicked to brother say you show me where Obi a woman
Me never
dead.
follow you go there.
You show me though.
You go there, people that pitney.
You show me where they do.
What go on and say I know? What go on and say I know? I'm a woman, you know. So
Be
coming up here.
be say me Obi a eat me Obi a in the fear that.
You hear how you start to call you liar, Rita. Top
Wait.
liar, top
Wait,
body.
like, you're lying. So, start, grab him now. So, let me say.
Yes, I'm going to keep on talking, You don't have to roll the camera for this one. You have to exit it.
What go on and say? You know what go on and say?
Ask your wife.
Let me one day say I'm going to assault her.
Come on.
Yeah, why you reason I'm not going to assault her?
Ask your wife. She wicked.
What they do?
They
What
say
go on?
she say me Obi her daughter. You call me good. You know ask me Obi her?
If you don't work
Hear how
it
you start.
Okay.
You lying, Rita, you liar.
Then tell me something now.
Ready.
Alright now, yeah. So, cut now. You go say, go say, a blind you the pick me now, you pick me now. You got a man pick you. When you sleep on the bed, take off your pick me, I don't feel pick me. It's fun.
Oh, so me I get jacket now.
Yeah, but I'm blind him though. You decide I'm blind him, he can't see.
So what get the jacket?
So, how do you get it? Somebody get it. How do you get it?
Ready.
You hear how you start a liar, tell. And you, Mr. Sir, a blind chicken and you make a thing say pick me on the floor. I don't feel how be a walk and she go. And jacket you
I like, don't follow her.
You know we have glass now, so
Rita,
we have
you
blind.
tell me a lie?
You lie.
Alright, me need the part where I say,
Yes.
no.
Yes. Bring out that the part there.
No.
Animal.
So every time she say that now, you start grab up and start get physical now, so fire can't come in, right? You ready? Let's go. Wait. Let me say action and start walk, yeah?
Alright people, the battery dead, so me I run go out again. That one is low again, cause like they not charge the battery them.
And if you pick your jacket, chiggy, or what be your man, she gonna blind your eye. Ashley, stop it out. We feel like it gets at the party.
Stop. At night now, it's night and go. Stop now. Alright, go back up and start. Stop. Just start walk first. Just ready.
Ready.
Yes, right. Yes, time up. And action. And action.
And a fear picnic, a Jackie Chigga, Obi a man, she gonna blind your eye.
Don't tell no lie for me. Don't tell no lie for me. Don't tell no lie for me.
No, why not you want for the sister?
No. What is that?
She will be your daughter baby over there. Obi a walk her.
Calm down. Are you sure where Obi is? Calm down. You go over your yard. Go over your yard, man.
He man run over to pussy cat.
Lock this time, bro.
Husband attack, you have to move, man.
Fast.
And is what that you have on out here?
Oh no man,
Where you
come
going
back
tonight?
now. Yes, no man, I've done the movie already, man. On to the next thing.
Ready.
Ready? What is that? Eh?
She will be your daughter, make your daughter.
Loud right. Come, cut it down. You go here yard. You go up here yard. Run up here yard. You cut off of this. You can't manage for the room. Come.
Obi a walk her in there. Come on.
Alright people, so like I hit that. I catch in somehow, a mechanic car go on with. Oh, so I'm gonna come back. Alright, so I go on for BTS, so there.
Now we're running from time. Ready? Go for your Captain. Go for your One deeper in the water. 7 times on she good. No, they're not going to walk here.
So yeah people, Richard Brown Films, I'm still at it. Long time we not do one of them behind the scenes. Remember if you subscribe enough people, subscribe if it's your first time over here, so I not subscribe yet. Sub! I can't go no closer because they might go see me. No, I interrupt and shoot.
Alright, 7 times. Come.
Obi a walk her in there, you can't win. Stop it and calm down. Stop shit.
Rastaman gone the whole like woman them. So Altan. Oh, come Rastaman gone do so much woman.
Come on! Come down this fast.
So them a go beach now people, I don't know.
Relax. Don't love man too much.
Sit down. One go.
Come on, man. Come, we're not going back here. We're not going back here in the house. Come.
Go for your come go for your
Come now.
Public, come get. Come on, guys. 1, 2, 3. 4, somebody. That's 4 girls. But you go all. 5, 5.
One of the left, who now come? Okay.
5. I put them on the back seat. 5.
5.
One seat in the back though.
A 7-seater, man.
And a 7 seater.
Alright, so come where she could be. Yo, and them say I make it waste.
Come with their gun out.
Yes, sir. No, we have to come and then go here.
See, girl, I like the people, that one there. I like,
So, no come in.
I like that.
Woman, go on in her room. Go in her room.
Mix up them. Mix up, yeah?
Ready, go on in.
Yeah, man, can you go with my mama? Don't you tell a good girl, let me say about the active, a good thing.
Yeah,
I talk about, big up yourself. Someone who tonight cold and not turn up then at all and dash and cold water for it.
Drop it.
I drop it. Yeah, let's go. You ready? So go on, freestyler.
There.
Wappy. Yeah. So what you treat you do? What you treat you?
Same man, looking brother again.
Yeah.
Same man, looking.
Character? Yeah, man. No.
Ready now?
Oh.
Ready now?
Me, I looking
Me now
brother
walk
again.
in and say, "Come
Okay,
No, and me, I look my brother again. Him not look my girl. Remember, him was the good one here.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, man.
Slow
So
with it,
then,
slow with it. Slow with anything you do, I don't want to repeat about it. It's a choppy.
Boss get lazy, you know.
Ready? Let's go. Sister-in-law.
What one?
Long time I don't see you still, and I don't know a reason.
There, man.
Yeah. This is some good changes in my brother. Wappy since your name start. Deal, you know what I mean? I'm thinking that I want good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, but some things they need to tighten up on.
Like what?
Well,
First off, let me come out.
a joke.
Let me really funk.
yeah, I think it's very good to hear it here. You need to tighten up on.
Like what?
Knowing my brother, you know, there's a man that move fast. So if you follow him up, I move fast with him to that place, so you catch up with him. I'm saying never said speed. So before you know it, you can actually have my one place party and him come murder and second down and give him 2 penny, go and give him a pretty long time. You have something to you know, keep in mind, focus.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So apart from that though, you do a good job because my sister, you know, he must smile. Yeah.
You want your feeling back somewhere like, and I mean, I him. Remember him fast, you know, I him me away pan. Can't remember that way. That
No,
is-
we catch up here, we catch up to you. We catch up to you. You see, I move fast, I move fast.
Hey,
That
don't look for me.
chief said that to you.
Yeah, man,
like,
yeah.
so-
Pay attention to him. Just
Yeah, man, no focus on nobody. Just me and Yarrow. I am no lane I read. Where is it there? Ready? Let's go.
ready.
Just slow, man. You alright? Take a deep breath. Alright, ready now, let's just start. No, man. Ready now? Yeah, man, so there's something you need to catch up. You will tighten up on with walking now.
Like what?
Well, I'm move fast. You have to try to catch up to him.
Oh. Alright.
Yeah, so
Well, never try.
try give a youth, you know what I mean? Try get mark eyes. Since he now propose to you, propose to him, come a long time and
No,
now.
I'm not going to do that. I am not to do that part there.
You propose to him.
Yeah.
So what is the only chance you have to make your mind? You have to propose to him. You not do it.
No. Right now.
You don't love him enough.
Yeah, I love him, of course, but I'm not do that.
You know, so-
Me how much of the people in the video for?
No, but you know.
You get a phone call, you know.
Yeah, but I phone call and...
Yes. You don't really know that, so
yeah.
That may I try to remind you.
Yeah, man. I know some funny how we come out with a man like Jack conversation.
Yes.
We're back up on a topic. We're going to touch it. I'm like, go ahead. You see, women in Jamaica don't believe in proposing to a man.
No.
Yes, so when I push topic now,
yes.
then you go memory in a conversation.
True.
So you want more if you have a response if you really propose to.
Yes.
Right? I really said
Get what you said.
stop into it.
Get what you said. True.
So, I know say in Jamaica the culture is not for a woman propose to a man. But what if it's the only way? Because maybe the man has to think about that so much. But if you propose to him, maybe that push in that direction. If you really love each other, you know what I mean? As a woman, you can make the first step.
Well, if I that at the case, it now go happen.
But maybe honest.
Did I never propose to a man?
No.
But they're supposed to do that though. They're supposed to look into it.
If you want a man to propose to you, you want to come on yet?
Really, that's why. Don't look at me, mama.
Ready now?
Well?
That kind of serious, you know. So you never look a man for the body.
Alright. Yo, Miller.
Yeah. See him?
Draw the curtain.
Sorry. Say about what you said about the in Jamaica and the culture.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know it's in Jamaica culture not to look a man for female. Not to propose to a man and look a man. So, if that's the only way, you're my brother to get married by you proposing to you and the propose to him.
No, if I don't have the case, it now go happen.
But you don't marry to him though.
You look excited, you know. Have the camera.
But you don't marry to him though.
Yeah.
Right, look at what's that? Yeah.
Alright, so. Alright, so.
No, son, look. You messed up the room.
Bobby. You know you are not your place, man. Oh, Lily over there. So that's some soon forward, man. Yeah, but now I left from where until you're forward now, because you must go link to for a reason. Yeah, man, we're going up on the veranda, wife to be. Yeah, man. Yeah, I want to come and talk about that, man. That's forward. We're not left until the forward. Alright. You want to look like when you touch when you come to my joke, I'm a laugh and you a laugh, I don't understand. You just take it serious, man. I think the one good way to go. You know what I mean?
Well, we are working on it.
See, I don't think that rough.
We work on it, man.
Alright. Yeah, what it has still.
Alright, yeah, we're first.
So, this is how good I've been doing, man. Take it serious, man. Things are good I've been doing.
Yeah, man, we work on it.
Yeah, so the plan's different. What can I do?
Start what's something we start from the
We're not free. Like you start back, we share to the back right. You just clean up your face. Yeah, in when so come, as if like, you know, time pass and
But we know we're going to start on different change the convo.
or to another conversation.
What change the convo? We don't know for that now.
Okay.
Different things, you know what I mean?
Okay. And the break.
Yeah, more break the ice.
Yeah.
Different conversation.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So most different from that door.
So what you gonna do? Walk in.
When me
You have a key for your house.
Yeah, me have the key. So me that like
So meanwhile, them attack, you can.
Yeah, man,
she take up that and I go where I go.
But no beer now.
Oh, brother, out here, so you're there. Wait, and sit down. And then you understand while she gone in with the something.
Yeah, but
Just come in, man, and they
no, fine, you come in. Because Mr. Miller have cut, you know.
Yeah.
So when you cut now, she go get up and go in.
hug you up, man, and kiss you.
I'm going.
Go in.
I'm going to give kiss and go. That's good. So me talk to her, so I put in teeth now. If say watch her now. Put that on for marriage argument, because you know, say me into business. And my brother is a business youth too. You know what I mean? We have a company. So you as your girlfriend now. Where you study at school? Where you study at school?
Let's study at school. IT.
What is IT? So thank you, man. When I work in a man. I don't waste time in a man. I think I have to put in a move and move me and shoot in a man.
Alright, go inside.
One man can get a white child. We have white child come to night one time. We don't have time to
Stay over here, sir. I'm going to tell you some wider lens.
Straight there. I did one. You did like a can get there.
You're starting?
Yeah. Sister-in-law. You know, so the family is a family of business, right?
Yeah.
Where you study at school?
So you send me to English though.
The English. Sister-in-law. Ready? Sister-in-law. You know, so the family is a family of business, right? Where you at school?
You know, send me to English though.
English.
Yeah.
I'm not saying English language, so I kind of
English language.
I'm not studying for school, but where do you want to become? Like, what you do? What you doing? You know,
You know something extra about you? No, extra about you?
Bleed out. But this one, I'm supposed to do pass it back again. See.
Which one, this?
Yeah.
So, your camera is a Nikon. You can't sync to this like the same picture, really. That's why it's a Nikon. No, obviously we know that. Like if we have a Sony or a certain Sony and thing, we don't get the same.
This is like a film camera.
Yeah, Sony would have work.
Yeah, that's
Sony would have work, yeah.
Yeah, but no, but I mean, you have to about that.
Come even see one brother who don't have like a Sony
We
them.
have the 4 or the 6.
what is that? 6?
Yeah, 6K. I say, I'm telling the ND. I say, you know it. I say, yeah, brother.
You can't go into the not there.
No, no, they people with TV, they have to know all of them.
Yeah, fully pack camera.
Ready now.
Hold on.
Back out there. Going back to your type of thing. You can't do it, man. That's simple mathematics. Right? You don't think you want to learn back on.
Alright, okay, see Nikon is best for still pictures.
Yeah.
You understand? And them other one is more for movie.
Nice. Alright now. What did you say to school now?
English literature.
What I said English, what do you mean by that?
English language. We do they want to teach and language after school.
My advice here is, I have some class for the principle of business. And if I get some good grades in that, can I say I'm bright girl? I'm going to encourage brother to start a business and you and him can go already. Get some kids and do what you want to do after that. You know I'm married, but you get some youth and the family bigger, you know what I mean? That is my whole thing still different. So, it seems like I want a cool girl still. You know what I mean? Yeah. Well, I may apply for married to my woman smality, you know.
That's nice.
Yeah, man, I apply for second and live a different life. You know what I mean? Because the road doesn't make sense. It sounds like your boyfriend. What it?
Philip! Out in front of there.
Yeah, man, what's up with that, man?
Oh. Oh, out there babes there too. Oh.
What are you now? What are you now? What's your food for like everyone?
Nah, man, me don't know. Me and her, I saw she, I remember say she kind of, that black boy. Yeah. But brother,
Huh? Yeah. You know all that thing. I guess you know say that it's not man because she had been your answer.
that's why she had you.
Yeah. You know say that it's not true because woman know you got smart.
No, for that man.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
No, we know man.
No. That's a one time, that's a one time.
Stop from Paris. Wait.
Alright, well, you know all the things said, business wise. Business is not bad.
No,
We check them off, we check them right place here for run off for tonight. Them say have somebody run off for.
yeah, man, God, you know what? Daddy tell me say me to work smart.
Alright, then I'm going to run go down because nobody can miss the money. You know, bad. But this one is from that, man. You know what I'm saying? Look on here.
About this, the man soft for the West Brain soft for the West Brain.
Alright, what's going on? Yeah, man. We work hard, man. Yeah, so man, yeah. Mike. Come tell us something. Mommy and daddy. Say lie. then get together. And remember, once to, when they are grown, and they just money, they just very. Garden, man. You think that I only going to get a cut, man? What do you deserve? Take a road, someone nice. Alright, you can't do that, man. You don't say someone, what plan on nice or something? Because go over tonight and we'll come and now go to romantic. Exactly. Now, you're not going to use a word. You're not romantic. You're not going to be so fantastic. Okay. Yeah, man. You get the drift. Yeah, man. Yeah. You know, easy, you know. Yo, you know. Good thing to get for the ring, you know. You can't like to get back to the don't worry yourself, man. You can take out my personal account and buy that for your woman, man. A simple thing, your brother, you know. Simple matter, man. You don't worry yourself, boy. You want one of them?
May I tell you, what do you think about?
You know, we can't get one for your now, man. Let's talk about it. Yo, we have to make the family do nice up and get some youth, push up and you know, I never first time to them. You need more some but you want to crash, you know?
Yeah, for me.
Ackeen, I say
Or
it could be a case where you're there on the road and you get the call. Yes, ma'am. Listen, you give it to her, give it now. Alright, in a day when you come out, you give it to him. I have it, man. So now, that's the sheet. Now, before you come in. That's what I said there. Are you in the bathroom? In there, in my bed.
Yeah.
In the shower bed. You know what I mean? So now, she done now.
Yeah.
And we go up on the rig now.
Yeah, I look surprised, yeah.
You know,
and then me come out of the bathroom now.
When I come out, we're thinking, you know, we're going to hide my color. Yeah, we're going to so. We're going to go so. And not hear this and what's going on?
No, when me think,
I want to show you.
When me think when she come down and me come out, kind of surprised, she like so. Yeah. Oh! Yes!
And give me a hug. I do.
But be still like.
Oh,
yeah. I want. And she like. I know what's up, but anyway, your mom give me this big deal.
Yeah.
And Ray.
What me dance now though?
Yeah.
So you can fuck ring. Now put back up there.
Yeah.
Then, if you want to do that, then
you understand me? What I want to do?
Let's find a way. Let's make it work.
Can't work.
We have plenty of things. We don't have enough things to do.
Improvise. That's the word.
Ready now?
Improvise. Alright, so me need a cue for come out of the bathroom now. Yeah, when they scream. Yeah, when me hear like you say, and when like your mouth, just play like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? When your mouth and thing. You can't get into that mood then, man.
Yeah, man.
Safi, J.
You go.
Yeah. So I don't feel nobody else.
Jolly.
Yeah. So you just go up there. When me hear that, you pull it and...
Shorter, forward.
Ready? Not there.
All done. Ready up.
I should have couldn't read that for a long time. Come on.
My youth, I fuck it up, my youth.
Okay.
11 o'clock, come on, go come back.
Let's show it. He soon come, man.
Come back.
So
man have to go earlier, man. 5 o'clock, man have to go. We're going to work.
which angle I shoot from? Which angle I shoot from?
Wait, there. Start shoot.
I'm gonna take the next end, yeah? Once I come from the machine,
Alright. Go look for something then. Make yo, Alton, share look for something. Alton, share look for something so I'm find a ring.
You all you know, just randomly gonna start.
No, I'm mad at. Get the car first. Get the car first. Get the car first. Get on the bed and get a call. And when the where's on? You call me a friend. You get on the bed and make a call. And get a call. Receive a call. And your mother call from overseas. No, your mother-in-law. I call you. And you say, walk up in the bathroom. You know your man now be in the bathroom. Where's you forgive it now? You know what I mean?
Oh no.
Walk up. See this one?
He saw me, liar.
Just now, this is the best one.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Receive the call now.
Hello?
No. Better than that.
Lay down. Lie down. Put on the phone.
You could have put your phone in and play two games and then you just answer.
Hello? I miss you again. Yeah, man, me good. Oh, yeah. Alright. No, I never give you. But if in the bathroom, you'll do that right now. Yeah, man, alright. Yeah.
Now go and take it over.
Come back.
Put that chair and put it on the chair.
Wait, come on. Okay. Ready.
What is... Jesus Christ. Ah! Oh.
Come on. Now, alright.
How I go on?
We don't want a reaction.
What is it? What is 2, 3?
Yeah. I move the slippers and move back that way. Ready. Now for move.
I say wide man. Dead. No smoking in this room.
Move the chair, I want to, man. Come again. Ready? Stop. No, come back up. Wire. Take it. Then you look, you're curious. You're up knee. You sit down. Don't try to yourself. If it didn't come up, I watch you inside.
Let's say something. How are this?
What am I saying to me for ID?
Your ID this?
Yes.
You see this ID?
And I did tell her.
Oh, so you see your ID but don't so that don't know why you're chat to yourself. Just
You say look me,
think in your mind.
just hold it same and don't show me. I'm ever curious, just give me the tip. And later you have to tell me about it. You see me?
By the time I'm telling police nothing. Alright, take a pic. No. You don't can see camera.
No.
You can't see them.
Yeah, hold on.
You can do it, what's up? And then you see it, don't you? Put what you check. Walk up.
Yeah. Gross. Trouble.
Alright. What you doing?
But this is one time, but I look at the slave.
Ready? Put it back up. Ready? Come back. When you want to come? I said, try more.
Oh, my time pan of it. Oh, come on, boy. You know somebody claim pan of it? I never said somebody claim pan of it. You cannot claim pan of it. I rough your front.
You can't blow up back, man.
Blow up. I'm more than you can't do that. Man, somebody can't get it. So what? Not travel with traffic here.
Strong man. Heavy.
Don't, if they can't climb pan this year, they bring this foot to rest. But they never climb pan it. Can't ability to climb pan it. Rough.
Yeah, heavy. So they little bit.
There's enough stool, you know. It's a chair.
So where should we do though?
Stable plate. Let's get one plate in that. And then you do somebody else pull up on me. And then you do it fair.
Huh?
And then you.
I don't know.
Just take me back and then you don't know what it is.
I'm trying to put you back. I'm going to go with fun and stuff.
Once somebody you recognize that down in the guy, you know?
What's that? You want to see? Then I go say,
oh, you can't take us to children. Put them on the road and so. Yeah, now see.
But I mean, I have one throw, you know. And I feel I was trying to put on one throw. But you find out, oh, blow this up. I don't know.
I said, move that first guy.
But I
think come there most of that.
He's got everything.
If you put your other stuff, you know, see so.
You can work it out that shit.
Yeah, so yeah, do you come down already?
Yeah, you want somebody. You got one out there, no?
No. Somebody can't, I used to do it.
Lock in front door.
Yeah, go scream on.
Scream for?
Ah, find a ring.
No, I don't scream. I should scream cancel. I'm going to be on that right.
Screen cancel. Alright, so you're gonna put on your ring. Put on your ring now. So you can't come on to them boss. Alright. Look in here now. My last. I'm about my last.
Girls, open the door.
But I didn't say, I forgot. Oh, but you know how to do that. You know the rest of stuff there. Oh, now the work out. You know the rest of stuff there, now the work out. When she go up there, find it, come back excited. Yeah, but
Excited?
me, yeah, she did to come down like excited, like, and me, I wonder, like, I want me to you, but she hide it and hug me so. And then she said,
No.
you want to forget this, you know, man, this for a while, we take it, and then, yeah. And then when we take that from me and think, I'm curious, see, I'm turn away. But you know, hide it under the pillow, because you still not tell me yet. When you go tell me when the police them come in, you can't go with it.
Open door.
What do you mean, okay, that's what that for?
Open door. Open door. Do it. Open door.
Oh.
When we okay, that's what that for?
No, me I said that. Me curious. You
What
listen.
you say? You are saying what that for? I'm going to say nothing.
Oh, sorry, I think I need to say you.
Becky.
Good, yes. Alright.
Becky.
Me take it, me turn.
Fishy.
You go hide it and come back. She gonna here with me when you watch this, or me alone?
No, she can when I watch it, because you know busy boy when I watch.
Okay, cool.
But
She can sit down there for real, as they say, and happy same way, because she kill her dead, she say.
Yeah.
At the ring that same way. Yeah. But I did really free room. But I did. I'm begging for I did, please. See? That's why sometimes I need the whole story like, you know? But it is interesting. So, like how me here say it and all of that, that sound like really like a movie and thing. Especially in them transition. You see what I say? Come down and look like the audience them and people say, Ratty, she find the ring. Watch her. She think of your ring.
One thumbnail pose.
And a wicked boy they out there to see
One thumbnail.
You know?
One thumbnail.
We're doing now. So the one they do now. Climb pan on wood.
Yeah.
But you say wood go chat down and climb pan. You see wood down and climb pan and climb pan. No, anybody going to pan because nobody touch it.
That may I say, don't touch your feet like that. Ready?
No.
Alright. BTS there.
I see it.
Alright.
I see it.
What in the bathroom?
She said BTS.
Ready now?
Maybe I try to set me.
Ready?
Right.
Alright.
So.
The third. You roll. You're bored?
Get the camera ready and stop chatting.
Let's go.
Camera.
Yeah, my camera.
Alton, rough in the night. Rough.
The Bex. Trunks. Alright, look at your motor numbers.
G.
Ready? Action. Wow. Come again. Yeah. That was good. I mean, I think look really nice. I think like a cabal class. Ready?
Ready? Okay, what one?
Nothing. No, my dad. Your mother.
Well, that kiss, that all got like the kiss you get out, kiss him under.
Sure.
You look like that, they're running now. Alright, whatever, come on. Move your life. Yeah, tell me about my mother for me. Ever disrespect you?
Your mother. Boy.
Look up. You know what I'm again. Say that. Check on.
He's so mean, Macho.
Yeah, we are one thing to it. Alright, this is what the up. Running. Okay, come in. What is for?
Your mama like that.
Your
mother didn't tell me something to get this.
This?
Yeah, but she said, we never even get it, she called and she just called me. We don't know what they call it.
Oh, well. And check it out still. Yeah? That was nice. Move the light. Move it. Yes, sir. Is it move? Turn the light back here. You're the greatest.
Anytime I get them black, yeah.
Is it? Move it. To the back. Ready?
Stop the black.
Kite still going at the shot. They must move it. Ready? Alright, so you'll tell him to your mother say, wait, and then I come focus. So you want it? No, want it from now come out? No, what? That's not. Okay. But you'll stand up around and tell him to say, mommy say. Okay, so no more. Okay, cool. Ready? Yeah.
Your mother didn't tell me to get this, but she said we never need to get it until she called.
Yeah?
She just called me, so.
So how long can she get this?
When did she do that leave?
So she get this one. What is so you smile, so one to you.
No.
Love you too. Not gonna smile. Shit, yeah, shall I make out? Go back from where? Which one? Which one I hit, bro? I see two something there. Item one. Item one. And this like a phone gun around. Okay, cool. Come on. No, I'm never want to go. Come off her. This one. Alright, ready? What to you? You can't smile, sir.
Nothing.
Me too. Don't be unstoppable.
You see if I go this side of my camera?
Come on, buddy.
You see if I go down this side of my camera? Down this one. Down your walkway and down your hall. Alright, who knows enough to go out there. Trouble.
Ready.
Yeah, you can't hold it. You couldn't hold it. Come here and say, I'm bowling pin now. I'm a foot loss, so I'm not free that right now.
Are you responsive, you know, sir?
What's your sorry for?
I'm not speaking to you, both my sons, in person. Papi and Phil, I love you both. Papi, you know that you're my favorite.
Love you too, mommy.
Don't give anyone trouble. And Phil, continue to be doing the good work that you're doing. But we're so sorry that he's not here, so I have to do this alone. But I'm so sorry that I couldn't tell you in person. Your real parents, they brought him.
My real parents, what?
So they had to give you over to us, both of you, and they gave us the money to take care of you and to build a business. So we could all benefit from. So here we are at this point. You guys are now knowing that we are not your real parents. No, your mom was killed in that mishap, and I don't know if your father is still alive. We haven't heard anything from him since he gave you both to us. So we don't know if he's still alive. So we're so sorry, but we're not your real parents, and we're going on vacation, and we won't be coming back. We hope to meet again.
You not tell me off anything.
Oh yeah, just like my laptop will export TV video.
You export done, you don't export.
Oh. Alright, go on. But don't forget that style, like, I don't want to hear that. That's something we really want to hear. What made us say still, you did it, so, me hear this news, what's the exit point?
I think police are going to
me get mad.
a freakiest cartoon up there.
Me get mad sausage.
Sausage.
Yeah. Rasta,
Members of police are going to lock you.
not right this minute. It's gonna be like
A different day?
No, not really a different day, but it's gonna be like time, like watch this already and chill with her now. And that's when she like
So you watch it,
Say now, ask me.
you're supposed to feel on way, you watch it.
eh?
Because you kill a brother for nothing.
Exactly, that's it. See me rub my head and you say, see me and say, boom, boy.
So now, catch up to know you actually give me the reaction.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
I'm still in the exit point right this
You can't get up, man. I feel bad, man.
That's how I like to
feel
do
bad.
it. That's how I like to do it.
Come in, go and talk to your girlfriend and get up and go in the bathroom and lock up in the cement. You understand?
Nice.
Oh, wow.
So you know that point my woman would have to ask me say what happened?
Yeah, she can. I mean that.
Remember the working you have to do your body. Girl.
My first time. She's
Some of you say I walk my
Just yeah, we could just you mean
even when you watch it, people come over and start going touch you, man.
yeah, because you don't me that free, you don't see something already or something that really, you know. But then again, even if she don't move, as me say, she probably can stay there and just say, everything alright? And when I lock it down, I come over there to her. When we could go back to the bathroom. Oh, that is if we want back to the bathroom, all that. They got to do their sleep. Oh, the exit point.
What is that movie when it's out to the Put it on the side to try to do again.
Oh. Oh, this should I turn around as a chair? The chair.
The chair, go round the song.
Oh, that one. Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, yes, see what I go on this. Okay. Oh. But when I say this now, when I watch it, I feel that way, all of that.
You know, I get no time to feel no way. As they done, watch it. Kung, kung, kung.
Oh.
Exactly.
Yeah, so when you hear kung, 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 I just know.
Oh,
Ackeen do that.
Okay.
Ackeen should have it out there.
You have to go out there. So they not know, you shoot the camera from behind. Ackeen man go kung, kung, kung. You know, see Ackeen face yet. And when the man open up the doors and open the door, you see Ackeen face from behind a scene when he pull the doors up from the angle of the bomb. To him now and say, what, where your name again?
Philip.
Philip. If you open the doors, Philip there is Philip Wappy. Wappy Williams here. Wappy Dixon Williams here. Or Wappy Williams, whatever last name.
Yeah.
There. You know what I mean? So yes, I'm in here. Wappy. So yeah man, what go on now? Yeah, no one. No, we find some. Can't put this on. Come on. No, because so, we're not going to my routine.
You can't read him more. Yeah, I'm on the rise. Yeah, go on, no.
You have the right
You have the right to you see, yeah, there's a something called slip snap. Cut this up. Where you got tie in, where sometimes you never really remember about. Like, for example, the ring.
Yes, I can put that tonight.
Yeah, but I remember your back. Them.
Yeah. No, yeah, somebody think them. Somebody
I pray. Yeah, my thing now. I pray when I watch it, feel away this, that. They lock it down, come over there. She's like, alright, blase, squash it. Then she said, I say, yeah man, I'm good. Then she said,
I think that's what I take control there, for sure. That by the time you even done, ignore it now.
okay, so the ring now going like that. Because she now have the time to tell me that when police are coming.
Remember I know like you want
yeah, no.
And me I propose, you know.
No, man say it already, but
yeah, but you don't have to do that.
You don't have to do it. So I tell you cool. Dash away, because I don't care about it.
Can't bother with that. That's
so just chop through.
Alright, then cool. So, Ackeen, ready up? Yeah.
Yeah, you will come out, so.
Yeah.
Come now, I have to be a bit.
No man, just not me catching us first. Me catching us.
Sit down.
Alright, now.
Alright, knock. No, you catch it, you know what catch it.
You me I catch first.
Okay, cool. Oh, this is me I want it.
Yeah, come on for me.
Alright, ready?
Come see, I'm in first and
I'm taking first verse, and then you take a second verse. Okay. Do you ready?
Ready.
Those you are is ready.
Ready.
The video camera is rolling. They are ready, but are you ready? Silent night. Holy night. All is calm. All is right. Round young virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. What's the verse? I keep going. Silent night, holy night, shepherds cry on the side, glory stream from heaven
Alright, here we go on now. We have to change up here now. Away in a manger.
Away?
Yeah, man, away in a manger.
Away!
Yeah, man, give me some away in a manger.
Away!
You can't just give one of them.
Away!
In the manger, no crib for
Nice, nice,
a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the bright skies look down where he lay.
Yes, Lord. Keep going.
The little Lord Jesus fell asleep on the hay. Away in the manger, no crib for a bed.
Yes, Lord.
The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the bright shine look down where he lay.
Me never know say mama could have sing.
Little Lord Jesus fell asleep.
Sing your favorite song. Sing your favorite song. Sing your favorite song.
Bring it to the wonder.
Hello.
Lord, if I
Hear something?
find favor in
Christian
your
man.
sight,
Christian, yeah. Good girl.
Lord, please hear my heart's cry.
Don't worry.
Desperately waiting to be where you are. I've crossed the hottest desert. I've traveled near or far.
Break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. Break it up, 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 break it up. Tap it, no sound good. Beat a man in 6 o'clock. No sound
Look
good.
at that one. One split tail. That's a man.
Why I come mash up your vibes? That's what I'm telling you.
General. Tap it nice, man. You can't edit up with them, man. Tap it nice.
One bugger.
I'll do anything
Bully.
just to see you.
Alright.
What my son there?
Girl, no say you sing over here.
What like? Me like?
Shagwan, man.
You're going now, man. Come again.
Yeah, man. See, you don't know what things.
Sing Holy Night there.
Again?
Holy night? What kind of holy?
Now can we sing on the first day of Christmas? Bible tree business.
First day of Christmas, my daddy said to me, find you a girlfriend. Me.
But then sounds around that.
You will get up.
On the first day of Christmas, my daddy said to me, find you a girlfriend in OG.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love said
Second
to
day,
me,
second day.
a partridge in a pear tree.
Come again. Alright, Fanta. Wait. Come on. Come again. Wait. Come again, Fanta. This is a remix, guys. Come again. On the first day of Christmas,
My true love said to me,
come on, you can't cook cabbage.
With celery.
Come on, man.
"Now, boy, rise."
An egg and planted. Come again.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
6 egg and pie, butter planted.
but you can't fry.
Egg in a coconut
Oil.
Egg in a coconut milk.
On the second day,
Third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
Pepsi and some bun and cheese. She never give me none. She buy 2 over the shop, and she never give me loving. On the
7th day of Christmas.
Yeah, we have him up.
He have me up.
My God.
Out time. Jesus.
My God. We have kids watching you.
Oh.
Alton
We
has
have
to be
kids
Alton.
watching.
You know, Alton has to be.
Kids watching. Oh. On the 5th day of Christmas.
My true love sent to me.
Go wash your naughty
Under the tree, hanging under the tree.
And hanging under the Christmas tree.
On the 6th day of Christmas.
My true love sent to me.
Why you no give him some money?
Let me dig it down, plant tree.
Tragic. On the 7th, come on.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 1 banana, 2 pumpkin, 3 cock.
Shit. Why?
Cut.
Why?
Go over.
Why? Go on over.
If I want to shape him, gonna say cock soup, but no. Tragic, something, brother. That's from today. That's from today. You're not a big boy no more. You're a big girl. You're a big girl. You're a big girl now.
No.
Why?
For that. How was the one I said, hallelujah, what for the printer?
Oh, you can manage that one there?
Yeah.
Do it now?
Yeah.
Halle.
No, and I said.
Hallelujah.
No.
So see, you want to start?
The brother was sitting down in the chair.
That's a bit, man. Police are rolling.
Alton.
Me?
And then what?
Him come with the night.
I'm going to sing on bigger vibes.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Ready?
On the 5th day of Christmas.
Christmas done.
Yes, I like it. Hold on. Quiet.
That David played and pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya?
Hallelujah.
Come on, you don't know it.
Goes like this, the 4th, the 5th, the minor fall, and the major lift.
Come on, girl.
The baffled king composing hallelujah.
She have it.
Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her raving on the roof, the beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. Well, she tied you to the kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from her lips it drew the
Please.
And that mine now you rub up your front on the bicycle. Hey.
Bossy.
Alright, good.
Sabron. How are you going, sir?
Alright, so alright, so basically what we are doing, apart from all the great films that we put on Richard Brown Films, we just came up with the idea that we might just start doing some films where we can put out faster so people can get them to watch. They're called uncut. They're not as polished and as well shot as the other films. We just boom, 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 put them together and put them out. But you don't know, uncut, Richard Brown Films.
Alright, cool. I will see what going on. So I make a run with the woman around in the house a while ago, so?
She want to lick me.
Oh,
My mother, she want to beat me out.
Oh, cool.
Beat life out of me.
See, I'm
Richard,
unruly daughter, no joke.
And Shammy hood.
So daughter you get, daddy you get for your jeans from, not mommy though.
You thickness and everything.
Yeah.
Father side, father side.
Yeah, yeah.
Father. And the unruly. Mommy, I love you. Love you too, Dasha. Thank you. Yeah, man, put you on a set.
I'm not ready for you yet, mama.
Are you going to pick up?
Ain't good, man. That's one nice to go on. Big boy out the entire.
Heavy?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, we are shoot big boy.
Who's so pretty? Eh? Who's so pretty? Eh? Who is this? Hey girl, come here. Come on, come on. Fucking around here, around the thing. Come here. You can't keep it up well, keep it up while ago. No, it can't make sense. Don't do that, man. Don't play the game. Look what, who there on the phone boss if you take advantage of with you?
But me pop one bigger stick. I am pop one
See
little
who
stick.
there.
Shoot that
Who the fuse?
You know, keep a real man. But do keep it something that makes sense, man.
Murder him,
And then after it's a girl, go and shop.
Murder him.
So they shop now.
That's how you can go to
I'll make it
Popeye.
go to Popeye. Make a ball go to yard, make it make sense, man. Not play me.
Go back and shoot that time.
You buy stuff, you put on nails pan her. For your birthday, make it. You put on nails pan for your sweet 16.
Sweet 16.
Sweet 16. That's it. Much you say 17 also, but you're actually 16.
So and I pass by me do it for him.
Eh?
And I pass a man or D can do it. Come on, say you have enough money now.
No, but watch out now,
Yes.
see carry now. You want me to charge you or something? Go on by pasta and come back. When I'm done, we could have
Get the paper you sign.
Yeah, make it. No, the pastor say you want the service upon yard. Go put your service. Church service. You want private service. No, yo, you tell the pastor about you know. And the pastor want you up there to count for you.
I'm praying for you.
So yeah. The pastor go on, the pastor carry the job and pick up you.
That she I go say, no
Yeah.
matter. But I didn't go for me now. Come in,
Go change that because man. That's where you want to skip.
Alright, so shoot back at that.
So I go on here, so. One person missing. People will see if we can find her. Which part she a hide? Hello? Miss in the dark. Give me some light. Contact the people, man. Come to, alright? Feel sick? Come to. Come to light. You just look in the dark, so. You know, sweat and all these things. You sure, alright? Okay. Okay. Alright. Tata. Who? No, sure, that's us still.
pound of flour and 1 pound of sugar back and pass that time. One and come back, you know.
What you doing, Pedro? Yeah. Well, like, oh, which one? Yeah, man, I could buy more board party. So I can't say, yo, yeah. Guys, my thing got a 2 week and it don't work out with all that time.
Taylor. Where going?
Because nobody now come too small and then nobody now rush them to done because they know the COVID they are rough.
Taylor.
Girl, catch up, Martin. Catch up, Martin.
Come here, come.
Alright, come. Change fast. Change your clothes. We can't send out your pasta. How about pasta?
Popeye.
Papa, can't be pasta. Paul, if me hear name, plant up more than pasta.
Where you say? Where you say?
I can't climb up on, but you do. Yeah, do.
Yeah, man, so.
Yeah, climb up on back. Climb up on back. Lego show Ackeen so you can Lego.
Yeah, man, you can't watch it. You can't watch it.
Bye. Choco.
No, like I want you to.
So where am I going to pasta? Like somebody still I get more beaten. So I carry on showing how I go and go to some update to I go on in a Richard Brown films and all.
And you know, because grandpa don't talk, you know, because if grandpa talk, me tell grandma, say me think I'm young girl.
You're informer. You want informer little bit.
That's how we tell when we young.
Move with the little looks, the little cheat.
So you don't know some nooks. You don't know if you're a picnic, you're a big girl. Oh, me look at nooks.
Don't talk back.
You work, no, me look at nooks work.
Don't talk back to me.
Papa, what is happening? Explain to me what is happening.
I'm acting like a kid.
Hi, Tavisha.
I'm a teenager. I'm acting like a 10-year-old.
Oh, sorry, I missed what you said all ago.
I'm acting like a kid in a movie, like a 10-year-old. I don't know how I'm pulling it, when I'm pulling it.
Oh,
Because maybe me a person of fungi, I can change my character, you know. I can be an old man, I can be a young, decent man, I can be a kid, yeah, you name it.
You can do roles outside of comedy, right?
Yeah, I can do roles.
But you ever play a role like that where no comedy none at all?
Well, I try it in action, but sometimes you have to get jokes same way.
No, I say if you have movies out there where no comedy, serious, just serious.
Oh, one by one.
Or one by one.
Outside of? No. Oh, it's not one by one. It's what's his name? I can't remember that.
A carelessness?
Shame of myself.
A carelessness?
No, not carelessness. Is it serious? Is it business? Something with business. I think you guys watch it on Jammy Hood. But I still give a little joke, but I show my serious side in it.
Okay, alright, my boss. Nasty puff. I go down your side again, people.
Welcome to Jammy Hood Entertainment. We are here live. Start here, look pregnant. Is that your life?
That's your story, man. That's your story. Like the first half good, can carry build up to 1 and just drop it off.
Let that ass move. Let that ass move. Let that ass move. Hey, she done over. Hey.
No, that the video over there, video, man. Do that over there. I teach him how to dance. So when he broke up, now you have to broke. Mama, you teach him to dance or something.
You know, say you can't do this elegant.
Oh, you must have girls.
Alton. I go out with my general.
Yeah, man, I go on.
Yeah, anytime I have a camera on you, I start talking, it's like I get nervous, man. I don't know what I hear, general. What go on to do? What go on to do? When I reach 100,000 now, my boss.
Yes, congratulations to the whole Richard Brown family and the whole team, you know. I know it's nothing normal, Jamwood Entertainment. Congratulations, reach 100,000 now. Now we are going for $1 million.
Okay.
Right?
Not even 500,000, 1 million straight.
1 million, right.
Alright.
So we stop say 100,000, we start say $1 million. And now, so people, subscribe, like, share, comment.
And check out the Big Boy movie on your channel.
Yeah, check out the Big Boy uncut. People, this is a different type of thing, you know. This is an uncut version. You're not going to say, shot this or shot this or shot this. So this is just uncut. So just raw uncut talents right now we are dealing with. You see me? Normal. So check it out, man, and do the right thing. And normal.
Alright, my general.
Curious, but you don't have to show nobody who be past the car. Can't drive up.
You can't drive up, but you have to be better. Get the pass now.
Ackeen, could I leave?
You might have to pass up a shoot.
What me? Official pastor?
You never pass one of them.
No, no, for shoot my good man. No uncut business. Shoot with angle.
Uncut, when the blood clot place now. You're watching up. Uncut. How much which you there? 9,000. 9,000 my watch, you know. 3,000, 9,000 for 3 days. I just took this man and go 10,000.
I say uncut.
And you use them on this show because I have asked you. Comments tonight go longer. So we have a paragraph.
Yeah, yeah, some long comments.
Because when they give you the story with substance, it's not go comment with substance. They can't say I and boom and bam, jump and bam shell. You have to write out.
Banger. Banger. Boom shell. Banger shell. Ilya, you come to shoot. You finish with it? Yeah, but why not ban on slippers, Leah?
I said, I don't know my yard.
You want the place wet?
No, we put food. Shit.
Hello, behave yourself.
The substance on the earth now.
The mineral good, but when the place is wet and you walk up in it, that is sick.
Nah, sick though.
Yo.
Let me tell you why.
So you can get to know and call Candy.
You know when I get this thing with you, it's when the soft of myself, it's sick. You want to run up and down in the mud so hard that you sick.
No, when me ready, me walk barefoot to get to my
once a while you walk barefoot, you will
no, man, walk barefoot all the while I'm in yard. When me there, me go to Richie. No, what joke you am? Yo, me know say
Richie, yeah, there you are, Richie.
You see a man time before me come out.
You take one walk but Richie.
Yo, me can't walk out just so barefoot, me I tell you. Me walk barefoot all the while, brother. Me can't do it a bumper. Can't do it, man, I can take me off the advance. You think my foot then ugly, my foot then ugly. Just can't wear look, foot then ugly.
I lie.
Thank you.
But I show you in to them.
Then ugly.
Tell you how Alton to them looking at the comments, people.
Ready, man.
Alright, ready, let's go! Let's have a kind of come shooting up. What can you now? Come on!
Come on.
You're going to check Sarah, you're going to check Papa already?
Yeah, you're going to beat up Papa.
And then do a good line. And fuck, go on the man.
Probably fuck
This time, no man. No, Ram, yo, me have to go.
Alton, make me shoot.
Right, change this.
Come in, honest, I drive.
Alright. Woman, go on the phone. Go on the phone. Look at miss, go on your phone, look at miss. I'm talking to pastor. Right now, me look at daughter down here, give me a beer problem. But change your clothes.
You need prayer.
Me just change me clothes.
Not you, she shall change her clothes, just come back. Yeah.
What chair where did you write this up?
Oh, you want to say it to?
Where? Go for it. I don't know why they...
I'm going to feed in and so them I go back up like I use it.
So why they lift you up this up? I need it.
So I want to find it, you're good. Take up the tie.
My cousin.
We done with the shop.
What happened? Eh? What happened? Can't go to Alton. Sweaty, I love your outfit where you come out in. You like the nice little sunshine baby for true. I like where you have on, you come out today and daddy apart. Eh? Yeah. You can't go to Alton.
Big boy sweating.
Working. Right?
I went now, what about there now? Want to know?
Yeah.
Start shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, people, I'm going to check out public report on Instagram.
Start shooting.
Start shooting phone call.
So, I'm going to drive going now.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, alright, wait.
I go and beat things fast. So they come change my life. You start from pole and I don't want to go walk on my footsteps. Yes, I look a birthday. You used to dance from pole? See. You dance from pole, party, you know back in the days.
The fuck?
Before you start, when you're a preacher, you come and go up and save me. You know? And it's to start something, man. You have words, you use words. Yeah, you understand? And it's jog time when you're and pastor are easy.
I just say, I look at me, I try to lead her
A different life, yeah, and I try to change girl. The girl birthday come up, me at her out and put her up her nails. And she should look like you.
Pastor like big man.
Go and say, yeah, before, put him on the phone. Fall far from put him on the phone.
Chick no fall far from the block.
Oh, no, I'm talking on the phone.
I mean, I want to jump off her head, jump off shoulder.
Go on over in the yard now. Go over in the yard and come for the phone. Come on the phone then.
Oh, the blouse and skirt are going, that's
Guys, you used to dance one full and your daughter cut all four now. How we get it from?
Where am I get it from here?
Yeah, alright.
Yo, go put on, where's the girl? Hey, I'm not like talking too long, man. If you can't fight us, stay inside then. Sunfly start biting?
Look at me, one go man can't go home.
Hello. Yes, blessed sister. Hello, Pastor here. Pastor there. Hello, Pastor here. Yeah, what's up? They said, look how cute, what's your name? Cutie? Cutie?
Papa, we catch us any voice note.
A lie.
Later. Come on, pick up yourself.
Oh, yes, I got one. That's what I want. You want to send her come to me. Send her come to me. I went to my day, you know. What we have to do, we have time here. So I can line out one tomorrow. You know what I mean?
So, she had talked to the pastor. That I curious on the phone.
I'm scared. You on the road. You know what I mean? I'm scared on the road. This is like smoke and cigarette and weed. And she not see you know. And she had to tell you to a friend. Like, she just go on the town. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, enough self. Oops. Jaja, do you guys recognize this system here? Oh, that's how I make the noise. I'm not an Apple fan nor a Mac fan, but the screen resolution and the colors are amazing. That machine right there. Car keys.
Right? So tell her to play down here ready right now. You go here and put it on the motherfucker and they are not up there now. We have enough time to give her some service. You know what I mean? I'm sitting around here. Make sure she behave herself. Alright? Line her up right now. Pastor, come here and tell her that anything I say, you must do. Right? Talk to her before the come with you know. But tell her there, put her in her mind. Protect
What going?
she in her mind.
Nothing.
Guidance. Alright?
Later. No, me have a video. What going on, so? Look like they delete everything off I file them with them that I use. Man. Where they now do now, Papa?
You gotta take so much time, you know? I have a flight.
You have a flight?
Yeah, I have a flight.
Oh, you fly out there, go overseas?
No, not right away.
Oh, I hear you.
Alright. Drive by. Come on, go good. Come on, drive by now. Go. Ackeen.
Where's the drive-by time?
Drive by, pick up.
Who may I pick up, she?
Go by now.
Who may I pick up, she?
Yeah, you pick her up.
You meet where key there?
Alton. Yeah, what the black bed?
How are you there?
Go on, you go. Yo, big boy, this one I have some more thing. Ready now. Set him out.
Oh, so behind the scenes, don't you know people, so that is what is happening at Jamiewood City. Later, I'm out. Sabron, how are you going, sir?
Alright, so basically what we are doing, apart from all the great films that we put on Richard Brown Films, we just came up with the idea that we might just start doing some films where we can put out faster so people can get them to watch. They're called uncut. They're not as polished and as well shot as the other films. We just boom, 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 put them together and put them out. But you don't know, uncut, Richard Brown Films.
Alright, cool. I will see what going on. So, I make a run with the woman around in the house a while ago, so?
She want to lick me.
Oh,
My mother, she want to beat me out.
Oh, cool.
Beat life out of me.
So, I'm unruly daughter, not sure?
And Jamie hood.
So, your daughter, you get, daddy, you get for your genes from, not mommy, though?
You take me and everything. Father side.
Yeah.
Father. And the unruly. Mommy, I love you. Love you too, Dasha. Thank you.
Flagger.
Put you on a side.
I'm ready for you yet, mama.
Are you going to go pick up?
Ain't good, man. That's why I see what go on. Big boy out in town.
Heavy?
Alright. Yeah, we are shoot big boy.
Who's so pretty? Eh? Who's so pretty? Eh? Who is this? Hey girl, come on. Come on. Walking around here, ramping thing. Come here.
You want to see the
You can't keep with that, where keep with that while ago? No, can't make sense. Don't do that, man. Don't play the man. Look man, who there on the bombas if you take a ball keeping with you?
But me pop one bigger stick. I am pop one
See
little
who
stick.
there?
Shoot
Take
the ball.
out
Who
that-
refuse?
You know, keep a real man. But do keep with something that makes sense, man.
Murder him,
And then after it's a girl, go and shop.
Murder him.
Send her a shop now.
That's you can't go to
And make it
Popeye.
go to Popeye. Make a ball go to the yard, make it make sense, man, not play
Alright,
me.
go back and shoot
And
that
you yourself, you buy something, you put on nails pan her. For your birthday, make it, you put on nails pan for your sweet 16.
Sweet 16.
Sweet 16, that's it. How much you say, 17 also? But you're actually 16.
So, and I pass a buy me do it for him.
Eh?
And I pass a man or D can do it. Come on, say you have enough money now.
No, but watch out now,
Yes.
see car now. You want to make the charge, drive us up. Go on by pasta and come back. When I'm done, we could have
Get the paper you sign.
Yeah, make it, no, the pastor say you want to be service upon yard. Go pray. Church service. You want private service. No, yo, you tell the pastor about you know. And the pastor want you up there to count for you.
I'm preview.
So yeah. The pastor, go on, the pastor carry the job and pick up you.
That she I go say, no
Yeah.
matter.
But
But I
pastor,
go
change up the clothes, man. So you want to skip it. Alright, so shoot back at that.
So I go on here, so. One person missing. People will see if we can find her. Which part she a hide? Hello, Miss in the dark. Give me some light. Contact the people, man. Come there, alright? Feel sick? Come there. Come to light. You just look in the dark, so. You know, sweat and all these things. You sure, alright? Okay. Okay. Alright. Tata. Who? No, sure, that's us though.
Oh, which one? Yeah, man, I could buy more board party. So I can't say, yo, yeah. Because if my thing goes to 2 weeks and it don't work out because I can't.
Hey, look. Where going?
Because nobody now come too small and then nobody now run them done because they know the cover there rough.
Hey, look.
Girl, catch up, Martin.
Come here, come.
Alright, come. Change fast. Change your clothes. We can't turn out to faster. How about pasta?
Popeye.
Popeye can't be faster.
Paul, if me hear name, flat up more than faster.
Where you say? Where you say?
You can't climb up on, but you do. Yeah, do.
Yeah, man, so.
Yeah, climb up on back. Climb up on back. Lego show Ackeen so you can Lego.
Yeah, man, you can't watch it. You can't watch it.
Bye. Choco.
No, like that one now.
So where am I going with the pastor? Like somebody still get more beaten. So Karen I show now I go and go on some update I go on in a Richard Brown films and all.
Until I know, because grandpa don't talk, you know, because if grandpa talk, me tell grandma, say me see carrying young girl.
You're informer. You want informer this bit.
That's how we talk when we young.
Move with the little looks, the little cheating.
So you didn't know some nooks. You don't know if you have pitney, you have big girl. Oh, me look at nooks. You work, no, me look at nooks work.
Go talk back to it.
Papa, what is happening? Explain to me what is happening.
I'm acting like a kid.
Hi, Tavisha.
You know, a teenager. I'm acting like a 10-year-old.
Oh, sorry, I missed what you said. I'm
acting like a kid in a movie, like a 10-year-old. I don't know how I'm pulling it, when I'm pulling it.
Oh,
maybe me's a person of fun joy, I can change my character, you know? I can be an old man, I can be a young, decent man, I can be a kid, yeah, you name it.
You can do roles outside of comedy, right?
Yeah, I can do roles.
But you ever play a role like that where no comedy none at all?
Well, I try it in action, but sometimes I have to get jokes the way.
I mean, I say if you have movies out there where no comedy, serious, just serious.
Oh, one by one.
Oh, one by one.
Outside of? No. Oh, it's not one by one. It's what's his name? I can't remember that.
Carelessness?
Shame of myself.
Carelessness?
No, not carelessness. Is it serious? Is it business? Something with business. I think you guys watch it on Jammy Hood. But I still give a little joke, but I show my serious side in it.
Okay, alright, my boss. Nasty puff. I go down your side again, people.
Welcome to Jammy Hood Entertainment. We are here live.
That's your story, man. That's your story. Like the first half foot can carry build up to one and drop you off.
Let that ass move. Let that ass move. Let that ass move. Hey, she done over. Hey.
No, we have to know that the video over there, man. Do that over there. I'm teaching that to dance. So when he broke up, now you have to broke up. I'm teaching to dance and something.
You know, you can't do this elegant.
Oh, you much on girl.
Oh, son. I go out with my general.
Yeah, man, I go out now.
Yeah, anytime I have a camera on, I start talking, it's like I get nervous, man. I don't know what I hear, general. What I go on to do? What I go on to do? When I reach 100,000, I know my boss.
Yes, congratulations to the whole Richard Brown family and the whole team, you know. I know it's nothing normal, Jamwood Entertainment. Congratulations, reach 100,000 now. Now we are going for $1 million.
Okay.
Right?
Not even 500,000, 1 million straight.
1 million, right.
Alright.
So we stop say 100,000, we start say $1 million. And now, so people, subscribe, like, share, comment.
And check out the Big Boy movie on your channel.
Yeah, check out the Big Boy uncut. People, this is a different type of thing, you know. This is an uncut version. You know, I go say, shot this or shot this or shot this. So this is just uncut. So just raw uncut talents right now we are dealing with.
Okay.
You see me? Normal. So check it out, man, and do the right thing and normal.
Alright, my general.
Curious, but you don't have to show nobody who we pass the car can't drive up.
You can't drive up, but you have to be better. Make it the pass now.
Ackeen, could I leave?
You might have to pass up a tube.
What me? Official pastor?
You never pass one time.
No, I have to shoot my good man, no uncut business. Shoot with angle.
Uncut, I'm in the blood clot place now. You're watching up.
Uncut.
Which you there now? 9,000. 9,000, my watch you know. 3,000, 9,000 for 3 days. I just up this man and go 10,000.
I say uncut.
And you use them on this show because I have asked you. comments tonight go longer. So we have a paragraph.
Yeah, man,
for
so
comments.
long comments, man.
Because when you give the score with substance, if you want to go comment with substance, then can't say I and boom and bam, jump and bam shell. You have to write out.
Banger. Banger. Boom shell. Banger shell. In Leah, you come to shoot. You finish with it? Yeah, but why not have no slippers, Leah?
I said everything on my head.
You want the place wet?
No, me could feel. Shit.
And the boot a barrel can do that.
No, I'm telling you why.
Hello, behave yourself.
The substance on the earth now.
The mineral good, but when the place is wet and you walk up in it, that we sick.
Nah, sick though.
Yo.
Let me tell you why.
So I can get on one call candy.
You know when I get this thing with you, it's when the soft of myself, it's sick. You want to run up and down in your mouth so hard that you sick.
No, when me ready, me walk barefoot enough to get my
mineral. Once a while you walk barefoot, you will
no,
sick.
No, man, walk barefoot all the while I'm in yard. When me
Come
there,
here, go to the Richie.
No, what a joke you am. Yo, me know some
Richie, yeah, there you are, Richie.
You see a man time before me come out.
You take one walk out, Richie.
Yo, me can't walk out of so barefoot, me I tell you. You walk barefoot all the while, brother. Me can't do it a bumper. Can't do it, man, I can take me off the advance socks. You think my foot then ugly, my foot then ugly. Just can't wear, look, foot then ugly.
I lie. Thank you.
Boss, I show you in to them.
Then ugly.
Tell me how Alton to them looking at the comments, people.
Ready, man.
Alright, ready, let's go! Let's have a kind of something in the first time there now. Come on!
Come on.
You gonna check Sarah, you gonna check Papa already?
Yeah, you gonna beat up Papa.
And then do a good line. I don't fuck. Go now, the man.
Probably fuck
This time, the man. No, Ram, yo, me have to
come Alton, make me shoot.
Right, change this.
Come in, honest, I drive.
Alright. Woman, go on the phone. Go on the phone. Look at miss, go on your phone, look at miss. I'm talking to pastor. Right now, me look at doctor down here, give me beer problem. Go change your clothes.
You need prayer.
Me just change me clothes.
Not you, she shall change her clothes, come back. Yeah.
What chair where did you write this up?
Oh, you go to
where? Go for it for me. I don't know why they...
I'm going to feed in and so them I go back up there use it.
So why they lift you up this up? I need it.
So I want to find it. You good? Take up the tie.
My cousin.
We done with the shop.
What happened? Eh? What happened? Can't go to Alton. Sweaty, I love your outfit where you come out in. You like the nice little sunshine baby for true. I like where you have on, you come out today and daddy apart. Eh? Yeah. You can't go to Alton.
Big boy sweating.
Working. Right?
I went now, what about there now? Want to know?
Yeah.
Start shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, people, I'm going to check out public report on Instagram.
Start shooting.
Start shooting phone call.
So, I'm going to drive going now.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, alright, wait.
She's going to be a thing start. So, come change my life. You start from fool and I don't want to go walk on footsteps. Yes, I look a birthday.
You sit down from fool?
See. You stand from fool, party, you know back in the days. Before you start, when you're a Christian, you come and go up and save me. You know? And to start something, man, you have words, it's words. Yeah, you understand? And jog the time when you're a tie and pass that easy.
I just say, I look at me and try to read that.
A different life, you are not trying to change girl. The girl, birthday come up, me at her out and put her in a nails. And don't you look like you?
Like big man.
Go and say, yeah, before, put him on the phone.
Fall far from
Put him on the phone.
Chick no fall far from the block.
You know, we talk on the phone.
I mean, I want to jump off her head, jump off shoulder.
Go on over in the yard now. Go over in the yard and come on the phone. Come on the phone then.
Oh, the blouse and skirt are going on.
Guys, if you used to dance on phone and your daughter can't tell who how we get it from?
Where get it from here?
Yeah, alright.
Yo, go put on, wait for the girl. Hey, I don't like talking too long in a man. If you can't fight us, stay inside then.
Sunfly start biting? because I want to go and can't go home.
Hello. Yes, blessed sister. Anyhow, Pastor here. Pastor there. Hello, Pastor here. Yeah, what's up? They said, look how cute, what's your name? Cutie? Cutie?
Papa, we catch you as an voice note.
A lie.
Later. Come on, big up yourself.
Oh, yes, I really want that's what you want. You want to send her come to me. Send her come to me up for your yard. I want to say, you know, what we have to do, we have time here. So I'm trying to line out one tomorrow to you. You know what I mean?
So, she had talked to the pastor. But I curious on the phone.
I'm scared. Scared on the road. You know what I mean? I'm scared on the road. This is smoke and cigarette and weed. And she not see you now. And she had to tell her girlfriend. Right? She just gone down. You know what I mean? I'm the one that knows.
Yeah, man, enough self. Oops. Jaja, do you guys recognize this system here? Oh, that's how I make the noise. I'm not an Apple fan nor a Mac fan, but the screen resolution and the colors are amazing. That machine right there. Oh. Car keys.
We have enough time to give her some service. You know what I mean? I'm sitting around here. Make sure you give her again. Alright? Line her up right now. Pastor, come here and tell her that anything I say, you must do. Right? Talk to her before you come with me, you know. But tell her they have put her in a mind.
What going?
She in a mind.
Nothing.
Alright?
Later. No, me have a video. What going on, so? Look like they delete everything off my file. Them of them that I use. Man. Where do you need to know, Papa?
Gotta take some watching time, you know? I have a flight.
You have on a flight?
Yeah, I have a flight.
Oh, you fly out there, overseas?
No, not right now.
Oh, I hear you.
Drive by. Come on, go good.
Where's the drive by time? Who may I pick up? She?
Go by her now.
Who may I pick up? She?
Yeah, you pick her up.
Give me the key there.
Alton. Yeah, what the black bed?
How are you?
Go on, Nico. Yo, big boy, this one I have some more. Ready now. Set him out.
Oh, so behind the scenes, don't know people, so that is what is happening at Jamiewood City. Later, about a story about.
Okay. This movie is produced by, I don't remember her name, but I know her name is Stacy. She's from Canada. She have her little life story, but you don't know how we do movie, you know. It no matter if you have a life story, we still have to spin it and make it, put a little drama to it and put a little context to the story. So this story is her life story. What she been, what things that she been through as a female in terms of being hurt by.
So she cross a play right now.
She play one version of her because in the movie we have 3 phases. When she way younger than Cross, and then when she become an adult now. So it's 3 different phases. So this is the middle phase.
Alright. So when you hear that people, we run go over the bus park there. Follow them, BTS and all these things. Yeah. Morning people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. I suppose that we're still in a bit. Yeah, but then, right, it's speaker devil, so them over there so. Yeah, so this morning we're in a Negril Bus Park, Negril Transportation Center in Westmoreland. What we are doing a video here.
Oh.
I don't know, I want to keep on knocking, so that's why I have to put on top of my voice as well. So, as I said, we're here for shoot, well, Mr. Brown will shoot a scene to a movie. So we get some behind the scenes, and in the meantime, between time, I can show you around at the bus park how it look on the lockdown, the eve of the lockdown. And tomorrow lockdown, that's all.
Man, that go on, you know, and this man here, trust me, you're good. Yeah, the app ain't good. I like it. Hold this. I'm going to tell you. I'll give me enough crack up.
So see them the people? Yep. So while them set up, I guess we can. Well, not really interested in the bus park to see more than I want to see right now.
If I'm knocking that one now, I can shoot us in.
Alright, my teacher want a little strategy. She don't want me to record her. I will see if she gets it. Miss Cross! Morning! Are we going to get the finger? Or are we going to say, Ackeen, I don't want the camera on me this morning?
So that I started doing.
We got the finger, which means she don't have a problem with us pointing the camera at her. So Mr. Brown, how we are do so far, you know? What going on so? Camera get trouble?
No, sir, never. I just like to make sure it's setting.
I guess I'm just dial in some of my settings and the camera.
Alright, let's get you sitting right here.
So we are going to try as best as possible to hear everything what them are talk about and how them get the scenes them together. This one should be particularly interesting.
I'm video so I don't know if you don't want to catch tonight.
No man, go and do the thing, come watch your video now, no video shot at that.
You will see yourself now. Be careful, no careful.
My youth, I see me a recording, I can't give my car key if I move car. I'm getting BTS. No, give me, wrong thing, give me. Say boy, a purpose to see. Oh, move car. Why this? Come park the car and you know, say I want the car and I have it. Trouble here. I'm not put in a park. I'm not a person that likes to drive, you see me? Whew, I'm down in that town, hot. So, if you reach Negril, then it's a nice good place in a bus park. I don't know if it's operational still. So I'm going to say here and nails here. So the number down you can record at the same time too. Beauty salon. See it there. So I don't know. If you reach at the bus park, you don't want anything there for you. Yeah, so you can come around or something. So make we go catch the people and record movie and see what I go on. See them up there so. Oops. Boy, rough. Sound not like you want to take credit from him.
No, it's a Brad. No, that's a dog.
That's it, Brad.
Daniel, I love you, yeah? I love you very much.
I already know Brad. What's it? Wait.
Brad?
Stay.
No, I'm not wasting no stay. That look too. Yes, no man, just she said Brad, you just walk over to her and sit down. You understand?
I pass it, eh?
I already know Brad.
Brad, stop. You're not calling me. You never call me Brad.
You want show us what you're looking for, Mr. Brown.
Brad. Walk on. Go slow. Simple. Yeah, but see brother, I brought this.
Brad.
No dog.
In coming like when my girl from outside here. When she come around the corner so I see him with the dog. I see him look frightened like when he come around the corner I look frightened, yeah.
No, I look at that. Just give me a more natural looking car. And just walk over. You're not frightened. I already know. Right. Don't stop, please don't stop. I'm near direct, just stay in a character. The reason why me say Brad, because you take too long. I hear some reach, you wait till him pass out of frame in your car. Brad, you don't wait till him reach, just call him. Because when you walk out of frame, you don't want to feel the 10 different shots, one take. Alright, ready again. Hold on, Brad, hold on. I'm ready now.
Brad?
Go, Brad. Go.
So people, this is my favorite part of it. A conversation. So we are going really close. I know what's going on. And I hit song in a boy.
Stop me here. Stop.
Brad, are you there? Don't you, Brad?
Cover me.
Dirty broad.
Alright, Brad, go back out and put your car. You didn't have that you see me when you... Alright, start walk now, Brad.
Brad?
Why are you looking at? Oh, so put it back your bag, put it back your bag. You're healthy, like when you're the record and...
No, remember.
Remember? Okay, alright. You ready again now, Brad?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll tell you it. Ready?
Brad? Yeah.
No more. Alright, so what one? So Brad, you can say, what one? When me a call the phone, I go and get you. And then she say, don't say I told the phone, mash up. And then you ask me, so how will you have a bag of go? You know what I'm saying? Ready now, Brad.
So, when me a call you, not to get it.
No, want you be more precise. Don't talk again. Want you say the whole conversation.
Yeah.
Go on, from when me call your phone, I'm not going to get them. Why you say phone, so they know exactly what you're talking about, alright? Let me tell you. Action.
So,
No man, we want you continue the conversation. That's why I said, just say the first line. So I go on from when me don't make shit talk. So I go on from when me call the phone, I'm not get you.
Don't get her a chance to respond to her. Don't say something that, you know, require that immediate response.
Yeah, because it's because you pause, that's why you wait for she respond. But when you say the full sentence before she starts talking. When pay attention, yeah? Ready.
don't go along me a call your phone.
No, Brad. That sounds too aggressive. From it. So what going on? When you call your phone, I can't
Yeah.
When you say, look for when you call it, that sounds too aggressive.
Bad man.
You understand? No. Action. Action.
So I go on. Look for when me a call your phone and can't get you.
Alright, don't make that stay with that. I never that more you say. You still sound too aggressive. So I go on.
You miss her?
No, you must say from when me a call the phone and I get it just sound too aggressive.
No, my answer if the situation is that he miss her,
No,
you know?
the situation is him a look her, but him not get her phone.
Okay,
You know what I'm
okay.
saying? So him a say, I go on, you know, so from when me a call the phone and I not get it, I go on.
Okay.
But it sound, but me make it answer, but I never that way. Anyway, alright. You know you're responding for me. That's why.
No, you don't sit down and tell yourself
I think that's a good way to develop dialogue.
Say it back. Right, say it ready.
So I go on.
On something, I think I just learned something. So I think the key to a great dialogue in movies is to listen. It's like you're there at the bus park, you know, whole heap of people have conversations. So you just cock your ears, you see me? Hear where the taxi man talk to the juice man say, where the soup man talk to him bridging say, you see me? And then when you make the movies, you will know how to structure the dialogue. Just how I'm going to get that, yeah. So, the key to a good dialogue is to listen. Yeah, listen. Go out and listen.
Alright. Yeah, so what one? I'm there, I just put me on to me and take shortcut tree bus park. I just take shortcut tree bus park. So where you go with bus? You know what I'm saying? So you're on.
So I'll go with you.
you know, say, at the end of the day, I say, make a shortcut, 3 park, yeah. So, how are you going back?
Project your voice. You know, sir, I'm Anthony, I'm going to look for cash and feel too good to sick. Ask him back home. Alright, bro, me tell you again. I'm ready, bro.
So, you know what I'm saying, I'm 3 park, yeah. So, how are you going back?
You know, sir, my auntie I'm going to look for work.
So now that I see her now, Brad, that's why I said, so now that I see her again, you have a number for me. No, you have a number still. Yeah. But now that I see you, you must get a new phone. The more you tell her, you must get a new phone and also. More me you get serious and now, man, I swear. You know what I say? You want she to be a woman and now. You want me to get serious and now. You want me in a relationship and now.
So hold on, them did that talk before because him not get her up on the phone?
He meet her first, then she give her him number and them they talk over the phone. But him they call her and not get her.
So she not really give him no vibes then?
Right, so no him say, yo, I want you, you know.
They have to dash in some lyrics, you know. You see me? No, how going on a general. Yeah.
Alright, so you have to start by saying to her, alright, so when I get back a phone, you can ask her so when she get back a phone, tell him say, you know, say tomorrow I'm supposed to get a phone. I say, yeah, money, you don't really want to get back a phone, because I really want you to get serious, you know, just want you to be a woman. Then you can.
Them have no experiences together before though?
Yeah, them have a boyfriend and girlfriend and a picnic.
Friend of my picnic?
Yeah, no, picnic.
John no dropping some of that no general?
Yeah. Alright, what the last minute? Oh, your aunt is sick. Alright, so yeah, make it start. Alright, yeah. So just on the aunt is sick, so I'm going to check her number.
I support Juice Lady over there, so.
I don't know what do I think. You know, sir, by tomorrow we're supposed to go buy a phone.
Right, but when me want you actually listen to her, so when you get back a phone, because she says her phone match up, so ask guys, when you get back a phone, and then she will tell us, so alright, ready.
So, when you get back a phone?
Next boss gone.
I know. Well, you know that comes here.
Why are you telling me to go? Yeah, sure. So you know, tomorrow, by tomorrow, I'm supposed to get a phone ready now.
You know, say by tomorrow, when I buy a back a phone.
Alright, so, no, Brad. Yeah. You have a certain thing. Come on, I really want to get back a phone because it's time for me to get serious and all. I mean, we can't forget them picnic days that we made boyfriend and girlfriend, you know.
Remember when we kissed around at church back?
Yeah, ready now, bro. I'm ready.
Yeah, man, we can't wait to get back up. Swear. We can't forget them days, like, the 50 days that me used to kiss us. First time I used to kiss her, would it be eat, you know? Swear, no more. So I tell them, we can't wait to get back up. So I can't go and still. I love her, you know, I want to be more serious, man.
Alright, so
she feel it, me see it in her face. She absorb and chat the brown man.
So you have a setting, sir. Brad.
You feel it on the David.
Brad.
Jesus Christ, me a David.
Brad. Take me good. You don't call me a calling a dog and see me a dog like.
Where you say, Brad? You go?
So you have a setting, you know, Brad.
Where you say you have David?
Brad. Even though me give my number. Honestly, the relationship thing, enough for me. I've been through too much hurt with man with married. Just tell him all what happened.
Feel it.
No, I'm not telling him you're not feel it, but just tell him all what you've been through.
Right.
You can get them in your canvas.
So why we have chat though? I'm just telling you.
No.
Nah, please.
We don't want to tell him, man.
Don't tell him on that.
Yeah, hear what you want to say.
Ready.
Ready, man. I'm depend on something there, you know?
Ready, man, to go home.
Oh, yeah. So we have 2 more scenes after this.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, not this look.
What different they do? What's park? I look scanty away.
Ready.
No, you're gonna make it come out.
Right here, try to run again.
Ready? Well, as I said before, I'm not really in a relationship because may I tell you say it's rough.
I'm not coming to one side now. It's rough. It's too much to talk to that.
That's Janko.
Ready?
You're rough, man. You're rough. I tell you. It's not easy right now because it's going on a relationship. Well, in my mind. Because I go through so much things with man. Mystery. Misandle. Man have them wife and still I look fine. Sleep with me and run with me. Them kind of thing, yeah. And when we hear about relationship, nobody just shut up, leave me. Everything just flashback. They want to.
I'm not gonna stay so, you know.
Hold on, Brad. Sorry, I say again, King, so I can get some facial expression.
Flashback?
No, like go back from one of the conversation. So we ask so I can get some facial expression. Brad, you are said when she pass now, that that's different.
What? Go look out. See what I go on out the roadside. Oh my gosh. Come on, government. Do better than this. You want empty. That me mean. The garbage truck become empty. So the police station is right there. You see my blurry edge and my blurry finger. So that's the entrance to the police station for all the people that are familiar. And as I said before, transportation center, mother. I'm Mr. Brown there, I shoot some videos. Hi. See a nice lady here called to me. Hello, miss. Get up on my camera here. It's gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, yeah, YouTuber?
Yeah, I am. Morning, how are you?
Fine.
You know, Richard Brown film, I figure more or less, so that's why you were calling.
No, I'm thinking that they want to.
You think me take one picture? You want me to take one picture with you? Alright, hold on. So, we just took some photos of you. How are you going to get your photos, miss?
I don't know.
As a matter of fact, tell a little bit about yourself. What's your name? What's your name? Amaria? Nice to meet you, Amaria. So, I'll send you your photos via WhatsApp. You can just send me a message. I'm sending them via WhatsApp.
I'm going to take your number.
Yeah, 830.
Okay, hold on there. How long the money just here for me?
I'm probably like you.
What's you? 876?
830 8198.
Name?
Ackeen.
Ackeen?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Okay, I'll send them to you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So how
Bye.
you going to see my picture?
Just send me a text message and then just send me a message right now.
Alright.
With the name, so I know it's you.
Oh, yeah, I reckon just stuff is I reckon.
Where's it?
You said me number?
No, I'm telling you.
Oh.
Where that's now, sir?
I've got probably drive, but I've got drive would they go or that me have got do. Cause I'm thinking in a dog work again.
That's all she gives me all day. Middle fingers. How you go, Mr. Brown? Mr. Brown? Where are you going? Sometimes when I have that smirk on your face and I go say sitting in, I kinda know what I go say. But where did I go say all I go?
I take the camera from me tell me also, but you have the camera from me so I can't tell you. I'm gonna take off the camera tell you.
Alright. Alright. That's good. My favorite person in the entire world right now, here she is.
Alright, so let's go. We're done this scene. Come on. Next scene. We'll shoot about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're done. Honestly,
so people, we are going for Candy Yard now. And that was
so what we are going to do up again? Tell me what we are doing up again.
I feel like say, as some go, take piece.
So you might ask, how does it feel to be shooting with the black magic? Honestly, I love it, God no. I just one drawback, and I just wish black magic fix that. And it's the battery. Battery don't last long. I know so they have some little pokes where you buy battery pack and you buy this. But we don't want it that way, they want one good battery in the camera, so we just know say you run and gun.
So I make some battery? Want people buy 2 batteries?
Yeah, tell them someone. I tell them one. I want, but now I'm 2 kilos, because they're not corona time and time hard. I want, not make Ackeen put up in my battery. I want 4 of them a battery and some memory card for it. That's what I want.
They can at least just take out the battery, maybe have one little look at it, please. What it looks like. Make it a little focus on it. Yup. There it is, guys. So now I have all the information.
Yeah, man, so I want 4 of them a battery and not necessarily discard. We don't have to tell you name, man. I don't want discard because discard is slow.
Yeah,
they
slow
have some
memory
other
card.
one.
Yeah.
We're perfect for it. Want to smart them.
So we are going for hard drive. Hard drive? Yeah, so hard drive. Oh, I don't big much. I'm going to take one Z5. Right now I'm going to take one Z5 and my life perfect. Thank you people. Oh.
So people, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. My channel had 170. You understand? So thank you guys. So fast. I'm gonna say again.
Alright, my boss. Pick up yourself, brother. Thank you, Nana. Big one up. We go for Candy Yard now. So now hear the little beep thing and then reach up a candy to this. Yeah. Alright, pretty people. We reach a candy place up as a name Red Ground. This is the place where when you come, you do not leave. If you leave, it's in a body box. I joke, man. No, more Red Ground like that. But with the Red Ground, show to our next scene. And yes, I know a cap can't really fit me because my head big. I love you. Girl, I love you. What I say?
You want me?
No, man.
You know what I say? Me have to go bleep out that part there. So why you don't conduct yourself like somebody were raised by humans? So probably Richie I give her some fatherly advice over them. I don't know what's going on.
Fatherly?
You say you wish as some fatherly advice. Oh God. Hey!
Then she was never called.
Mahanin.
No, he don't call it.
So I'm candy not there. So then reach and candy not there. Which girl is? Hello, miss.
If you're calling out,
Oh,
I'm
she-
not properly dressed for a camera.
Joke thing this
Your
now.
feet, you're properly
People want to dress up for camera. On to them.
We don't make she play you, but it can't happen because you and she almost look like the same type of age group. Or she look young. She look like she got around 11 or 10.
You look old, you know.
So me
You
11
look
or
old.
Alright, we're gonna make you play a role, but what we are gonna do? We'll plait her here and put on some bubbles and clip in it.
Like what?
Bubbles and clip and ribbon.
I don't know how to find that though, because I don't
No, you're gonna find it. We're gonna find it.
So you're going with Angel?
Now that I look upon you, you can play a role. We just need to.
Angel, where am I?
Mamas,
Hmm.
me there in my house and this boy come beat down the door. Like,
Yo,
they
stop
don't know who.
that. I shop it up.
He come and said so.
You shop top up.
Candy, yeah.
So no can we have that?
Next week Tuesday, I'm 40.
Me tell Candice, from
Yes.
2000.
No, you're hearing them. Me never.
Candy,
Oh, what do you think, girl? What do you think?
Candy.
Yeah?
Up here you do there now.
Eh? I don't want to remember.
Where exactly there?
I don't know.
Come back up because I don't know. I think you were Scarlett and so we have to come up here.
Say no friend of plan.
But I think that was the time when they did the last time. So we have to come up.
Yeah, boy, big up yourself, my dinner.
No, last night before you left, you know, here we have said that so we come up and shoot scene with her before she got. Daniel, come. Or we are shoot up a sandwich shoot up there. Come.
Girl, me cannot take this.
Just want to find them. Just want to find them. G's and P's. Just want to find them.
Yeah, but I think now that me look for you, I think you can play a role. If you put bubbles and clip in your head, and ribbon will work.
Girl, I've got 10 earrings on it.
No, them have a dash out.
Me can't only have one can get prepare it.
That doesn't sound good. Did that sound good to you, Ackeen?
Why? Listen, we need to know if you understand, so you know, me is the cameraman. I've been the one to ask me opinion so people can form no kind of moral standards. I'm just passing through. Alright?
Yeah, it's been 6 years. Remember this? She about 12, 13.
I tell Candice from 2019. Me I hear him saying that I must be 13.
Bumbo God.
May I have to go bleep out that again?
Me never have video, girl.
Sure. I always have video.
From 2019.
Yeah?
No, me left the girl part still. Nah, bleep out it.
From 2019, me and Candice saying that at 13.
13 forever.
I guess she's 13
I feel
next
like
week.
Candice do that. I don't want nobody look like that, so I'm just saying my 13 from 2019 till now.
It's a good strategy.
Yeah.
I like it.
Alright, so one time we can do a video from your channel by somebody else. We'll talk about the persons that want to do YouTube.
I want to see some more people.
Right? Come and talk to them.
Want some more people.
Young person.
No, we don't want to hear about how to do YouTube. We want to talk about movie. Alright, so until then figure out what I'm going to do.
No, we don't know what I do.
Yeah, but now wait right now. So we don't want to stand here waiting on them. So bleep and then come back. Hold on, no, that might sound type of sort.
You see what you do? I want Candy get up here.
Alright, so figure out themselves and then start shoot again. Then we start to shoot. Alright people, we're back up and running. Candy reaching our place, so we're back up and running.
Look, you're going down my breast. Pagan breast, nice. With bread. Sandwich.
Chicken breast she attack, Richie. Chicken breast she attack. Is her chicken breast?
Candy, what tell you what water?
Shooting start again.
You
Alright, planning
bread a bed.
before.
Yes.
Alright, so you walk random down?
But me turn up long in a sun and
So you walk.
Pass me in a sun and wait for
Alright, so you walk one and no Candy. You know say your mother But they discussed for other night when they talk to her.
No, you're not make me go sick.
So yeah, we're going around Candy man. Candy,
You like it?
you're not listening to me as a Candy. You're listening to me, Candy? Alright.
Trade nothing, they think they're not trading up on more friends.
I'm pregnant. Absolutely.
You're good. And I do nothing else. You may attack. You need tidy up. So I'm going to force them to sleep up this before I go and make they go see people leave them. Best energy.
Alright, you ready for me now? Alright, so you are going now. You know from last night to share that, alright?
Yeah.
Right, so we need to establish something before we cut her out, I see. So we have to establish her now.
Ponytail bad, mama.
You have to talk to her before she goes. Whoever will be your sister, which is her auntie was sick. See? So what you have to talk to her about now?
Yeah.
The fuck you say, yo, you listen. I've got music up again.
You know what? You know that today.
So we have to say to her, you know, listen, Stacey, you know, so I shouldn't even have seen her go up on the road, but me and seen her go up on my auntie. Because the thing coming on.
Alright, that sound is how you know ice cream is in the community.
Hello?
Just don't like send me have a camera. Bad man.
It just include the stream. And if it's like, because I know sometimes persons don't really want a copy of the funeral. So normally me just do the stream and give you a copy of it.
Alright, so that's the live stream and give a copy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. For Thursday?
This Thursday?
Alright, so gone
What's
again
it? Thursday's what day?
until actual shooting starts.
16.
Stop
Alright,
recording
give me
now.
1 second, let me make a call. If I am not available, I have somebody that
So yeah, because of the music on here in the background, talk fast so YouTube not recognize it fast. So because of the music on here, we have to probably shoot inside. And we have our next obstruction because we never carry lights, so we never plan for that. You don't have like a notebook to write down these things, so we don't have these problems. So yeah, we're going to shoot inside. I'm going to shoot inside. Man.
Alright, so here we go. Come on with your bag.
So change our plans, boss. You have a strategy to counter the music sound because in there's a dark and we don't have no light, so
yeah?
I'll try something.
Try to go somewhere like that, no in the dark, man. You don't want light proper. You don't care what kind of camera you use, you don't want it so dark. When you don't color grade, that's a big problem. Somewhere else you can.
Definitely.
Yeah?
Definitely. So them are continue from the scene at the bus park.
Where baby there?
I'm gonna get this.
Oh, when you start walking. What is that? Look at Chance. Slimmers, have your back for your back.
Listen, I mentioned nothing about no sport.
No. Where she there?
You start recording?
Daniel!
Where she there? No, I'm not started. Come, yeah, I want full back that as well.
No, candy bag that.
Okay, I'll make it stay, candy. I'm sorry.
So the strategy is for work with the sound, the music we are playing, is to get this audio thing as close as possible to whoever is speaking, so you drown out the background sounds. Yeah. So YouTube can pick up the music.
Alright, so. Candy, you start talking to her as you walk in. Try to say, yo, make sure you go straight up her.
My sister name, I have to say no name.
No, I never mention no name. Make sure you go straight up your auntie yard, you know. You know what I'm trying to say? Your sister and she's sick. So make sure she go straight up there. Ready now, walk out and walk in. And you think you're damn the face can do it. Ready to action.
Alright, listen me now. You know say me should not send you nowhere on the road. Even though you're auntie. Me shouldn't send you nowhere on the road because I notice that anytime I send you nowhere, you come back when you feel like.
So basically, alright, that's how every day end people. The organize the sound from the AC and whatnot. So with the Burger King, I get burger for actors and actresses. Send out boy, you know. But anyhow people, like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And a little more. We'll see each other very soon later. I'm out the whole like chips stuff. Watch.
So wait, swallow you.
Woman, you can't tell me say no.
Already?
Alton Garden. How which one a big boy them this?
Ready?
So people, I'm gonna update. Like Masika say, give them an update. So I guess it's a season 2 of Big Boy. I'm gonna fight over Chucky, so Chucky finally get a girlfriend as one did want. See people, remember to subscribe, AV channel, always a going to the latest where Richard Brown Films, Jamwood City, Paradise Nation, all of the latest. So I'm going to what I call this now. Kind of perspective, this first person perspective.
Make it do the same time, make it do the same time.
Them a fight, when I'm a fight over Chucky. Oh, so I'm not fight over man. Come again. Where's Jutta?
If you put on the part there, you say, you remember what you do? I say, hey boy.
Where's Jutta? Where's Jutta? Jutta! Oh, you're on there. Come again, walk up first. Come.
I've never seen these actresses before, people. So I guess I'm new in our place.
When they come, so you walk come, I want to out there fight over. One can say Chucky, two other can say Chucky one time. One can say Chucky one time. Chucky!
I'm sorry, Richard Brown, little brother, this is Spoonie. Alton Garden, don't know, cousin to Richard Brown.
Come again.
Oh. Weird.
See people, season 2, Big Boy. I cannot fight this still.
But I want to fight over. Jump,
When I do it, then you want to look up same time one to say Chucky one time. Yeah? Chucky one time.
What's follows?
So Chucky.
Chucky.
Right.
Lunchtime.
Action.
I want to fight over. Chucky.
No. Pause. Stop fighting. Chucky.
What kind of fight?
Ready again?
Girl, what you want to eat?
Papa, what they must do?
They must fight over the good something.
No people may watch me talk.
Oh, subscribe me people. Subscribe. See this nice pretty girl over here? Yeah, subscribe.
Hey, them a fight over?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know they will fight over me for.
Just to confirm, this is season 2 Big Boy, right?
Yeah, but we don't know which part is season 2. But it's season 2 coming to you guys. And we are not going to stop it. We are going to give it to you.
Alright, my boss.
What if you do? I'm going to buy food.
One, two, three, Chucky. 1, 2, 3, Chucky. Ready? Alright, ready, fight.
Pass your sweat.
1, 2, 3, Chucky.
Chucky.
Still on fight. No, still on fight. Alright, stop.
Alright, listen here.
You look somewhere there, so I get tired.
What kind of food you want? Chicken? Breast? Leg and thigh?
Miss Shakaberry Madness. Don't know if you have a YouTube channel for yourself as well, people, so I can go over there go show her some love. Recently celebrated her birthday as well.
Serve.
Good.
Don't worry.
Come in.
Don't worry, don't worry.
You can't do this, Papa. You know what you fight, see me?
Yes, it's fighting. That's our movie do. That's our movie do. You have to be there. You can't go into the alarm.
How old is?
No, we just wake up.
Oh, my God.
Nice. Action, fight.
Papa, I can't find him, Daddy.
Wow, I'm telling you. When did that pass? You really feel.
It look like they find him now, people. Oh, see you not this one.
No, you have to ask for a woman to say.
If throw some water.
No, man.
I saw pure.
If you don't listen to fire say, now I got tie up good, man. I have to listen to fire say, brother. But I don't know what to say.
That's Papa fish and meet them.
No. No, make an ask fire, man. You ask fire, you're right here, man.
Are you
Curious is the master of stories. You understand, Alton?
Huh?
Curious is the master of stories, so tie up the stories.
Yeah. But I even say it, I don't know what you say.
Let me come back and
It's still a nice shop, man. You can still do a nice shop.
Yo, come on, part them shop and come back for that shop and say, yeah, man. We're not woman, man. We have to do better than that. And Twitter,
You say, you know what?
We have to tell them, not woman, and me woman, you know, look good.
So next amazing thing about being in this space when they're filming, guys, is that, you know, myself as a filmmaker, I can learn. So whenever mistakes are made, you can learn from those mistakes. And of course, a whole heap of things I learn. A lot of things, I learn a lot of things whilst in this space that I will not be able to disseminate right now, but definitely in the future, man. So make sure you subscribe over here and to Lux Movie Channel. Like shooting about to start again.
You, to the wall.
Papa, if you say anyone I don't know when only I get me.
Daddy tell them, any one of them win and them are make me. What me want the bag of one win.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, right this one, right this one. Right. That's a very nice.
Alright.
Hold on, go across the car. Go across the car.
Come on. Come on, man. You can understand. You must conduct it. What about the child? Conduct it. That's if you not send a bell.
Jutta, you there front? Jutta, you are there front. Fight. Action.
Yo, no man. No man. You can't do that. You can't. My gonna say I take care of girl you. Yes, any one of them win daddy, but we don't want it. Any one of them win. No man, no go on no man. No go on no man. You girl don't come back. Go on. Wait.
No. Come on, stages, man.
Can't stage it, it's too short. No.
Fight. You come break up a fight.
Yeah, I want to fight for
you.
two.
Come break up a fight. What do? Hold them so there. I said, girl, come fight for my man. You can't sit over there. You sit over there.
Actually, it's a bit too far out that camera.
Look at me. Don't tap that, man. I know I'm a one boy, so I feel proud as a father, you know. And as I go out. Where you live? You go, so. You go, so.
What's your
son? You go and say,
son.
Enough of fight.
Alright, come on, ready.
Yeah?
Come, Popeye. You want to shift them way? Come, Popeye.
You can say, me there with him from his birthday. When he come over, you're there with him from his birthday. You there with him from before him born. Yeah? You hear me say? You don't say that. Come.
Yeah,
come again.
You talk about 49 too.
Come again. Fight.
So director, Mr. Garden.
Me catch up. We can stand up by the door and look. Run back. Fight, man. Literal fight. You know what? More energy night, man. Let me say action, more energy night. Go on more, Jutta. Walk up, man. Jutta. Walk up. Ready down. Walk up, Jutta. Action.
Yo, no man, you can't fight my youth. I want to can't do that, man. Yeah. Yo, I'm a son still, I'm a feel proud of you, but you can't. But you say I take care of a girl in my youth. Yeah, take care of what we don't want, this one. Yo, you can't.
Wait. Stop, don't say
you can't say no one, this one.
Hold on,
Yeah.
School move. You are going to say, though, me there with him from Chucky's birthday, and he come and walk and take me, man. That's all it is.
Close hands. Yeah.
Look on him. He actually hungry. You are just
me, I have blow too.
Yes, there with him from
No, blow no one
Me
say.
there with him from his birthday, and the girl want to come take me, man.
Yeah.
And you blue and
Simple.
tired.
Simple.
Ready?
Simple.
Ready?
You're tired, you know.
You have to blow, yeah.
Just done
yeah.
fight.
Serious. Ready.
Ready. Ready. Give me a look, man. You're mad, you know. I'm not telling you.
Me there with him from his birthday, and the girl want to come take me, man.
You girl, you can't do that, man.
Me there with him from his yard.
You know. Hungry, man. Hungry yourself.
A girl, your man.
You are lick again.
Temper overheated. Oh, calm down, man.
But me there with him from his barn.
Yo, hear me, man. Say, you go. Yeah.
Me know it too on there with him.
Yeah.
Ray, but you know look good. Ray. Understand? I'm a boy, I love him, proud of him. Come again. Bring them closer. Action.
You know if you fight, man. I'm a boy, you know. I'm feel proud of you.
With the energy, no, man. You have to keep up with the energy.
Punch me.
No, don't say no. Just that.
Punch you, basically.
Energy, man. Energy.
You want me careful, but pink, man.
Big bomb clock, paint that support. Come on.
Want me careful.
Come on. Your father, I know, man. Ready?
I'm done, man. I'm a son still, you know. I'm a proud of him still, but you know, fine.